Wow! Is what Saif Ali Khan said when he watched Kantara Chapter 1.
Yeah.
Wow! Is what Keanu Reeves said when he watched Kantara Chapter 1. Wows is what you take during a marriage ceremony.
What I did, yes.
And how have you guys been? It's been a week.
Guys, and love are us for coming up with this intro of this episode. Love!
Hello and welcome to Pop Conversation.
And ow! is Shakti Kapoor.
What Shakti Kapoor.
पहले तीन तो मुझे एक्सपेक्टेड थे तो मेरा कोई रिएक्शन नहीं आया. ये जो हाउ
Yes. How? Gappu! No, that's a stretch.
Let me officially introduce everyone. Hello and welcome to Pop Conversation. My name is Abbas and I'm joined by
स्नेहल अनेजा
and
Trick Stacker.
before we start about जो आपने guess कर लिया होगा what we're going to be
हाँ.
talking about.
Wow!
which by the way is a lot of like I think one of the most anticipated awaited episode
Yeah.
where people are like कि
That's why we're doing it a week late, bro.
yeah bro of
Yeah,
course
after
because spoilers
watching it
हैं
properly,
क्या उस फिल्म में spoilers हैं
We have to watch it, let it sink in.
yeah dude
दो तो major spoiler मेरे दिमाग में है. So
दो major spoiler
one I mean we'll get
हाँ
to the
मतलब of
spoilers.
course मेरे mind में एक ही spoiler क्यों है
Oh, the biggest caller is, it's a prequel, by the way.
biggest caller.
That's a spoiler.
Biggest caller.
Spoiler.
You said caller.
Did I say scholar?
Yeah.
Biggest caller is me, sorry.
But I was told last time I wasn't here when this activity happened that we apparently now give away movie tickets.
movie tickets bro
मेरे को तो कभी नहीं दिए यार तुम लोगों ने.
Huh, dude, like because the thing is we have moved beyond the level.
हाँ, हमारे लेने देने के दिन जा चुके हैं अब.
हम अंदर ही अंदर हम लोग अब नहीं करते. हम लोग अब
true,
बाहर
yeah.
बांटते हैं.
आपको हफ्ते में एक बार खाना खिला देता है वो बहुत नहीं
बस
है.
बहुत है भाई. अभी पाव दिखाएंगे.
Tasty food.
पाव.
Wow. With bhaji is what we're gonna have after. So we're going to spin a wheel of fortune is what I'm told.
Yeah, let's begin it, man.
भाई
Let's do it.
But
मैं जो जब से आपकी टी शर्ट देख के हवा हवाई जो लिखा हुआ है आपकी टी शर्ट
हवाई.
पे मैं माइंड में आ रहा है श्रीदेवी.
पर बनी हुई उमा थर्मन.
हाँ भाई ये कहा है
उमा
वो
भारती
तो मुझे
की
पसंद
Nice, dude.
और इट्स सो फनी. पिछले ही एपिसोड में श्रीदेवी की बेटी की एक्टिंग की जो हमने तारीफें करी हैं
Yeah.
Bro, I had people defending her in my DMs.
the balls on you कि तुम अगले ही एपिसोड में हवा हवाई पहन कर आ गए.
Sridevi, I'm a fan. By the way, I'm also like partly a fan of Janvi Kapoor as well. This guy is
Only
the one.
parts of her body.
एक तो इसके चक्कर में मुझे इतना हेट मिल रहा है पिछले एपिसोड में.
Bro, the best. It's been the best.
हरामी आदमी.
Dude, I've had the best last week laughing at all the hate Snail has been getting for just not even. You
How
know,
can he
the thing
defend
is,
Sunny
I
Sanskar?
hated that movie so much. Sunny Sanskar Tulsi Mari, I hated so much that Snail just defending it, calling it like not that bad.
भाई the fact that
He's getting just
मैंने literally there are अगर आप पता है एपिसोड में आप देखो ना there are instances where I'm saying so the actual problems of the film are
And then I go into
and
a
then
tangent.
it goes like कि इतने टट्टे में चल रहे हैं.
Yeah.
ऐसा कहाँ होता है.
I've heard the movie is now fondly called Sunny Sanskar Tulsi Tatti. Like as we mentioned on the previous episode.
The funny thing he calls me the other day just to laugh कि ये लोग तेरे को कितना troll कर रहे
Yeah, dude, I was laughing so much. Dude, then after a while, it became unpopular to hate on Snail in the comments. Because then there are people like, going against the grain. Guys, we need to defend Snail.
हैं. That's a friend actually.
That's a friend. ये तो plant कर रहे हैं लोग.
नहीं I didn't plant उस
Dude, even Snail's mom commented, fuck Snail's Snail's opinion sucks. Normally auntie is very supportive.
एक बंदे ने वो भी लिखा कहता है सनी संस्कारी तक के टाइम में तो तू हग ही रहा था बट चलो यू मेड अप फॉर इट इन द होम बाउंड पार्ट ऑफ द एपिसोड.
ये तो अब खुद की प्रेज कर रहा है भाई. मैंने इट्स अ सेविंग ग्रेस गाइस. मैंने होम बाउंड में अच्छा बोला. होम बाउंड में आई वाज राइट.
कमेंट बता रहा भाई.
आई नो.
I had Janvi defenders in my DMs that.
हाँ और उनके आगे भी आप मेरी ही क्यों ले रहे हो. कम से कम
Bro.
आप लोग तो सब लोग.
One of the best comments was के Snehal was very gung ho about mostly sane. Okay, being in the movie
Yeah.
Sunny Sanskar Tulsi Kumari, which again check out the episode, very fun episode. So Sunil was very gung ho about mostly saying being a big spoiler, okay? And he was like, in my theater, people stood up and hooted. And people then in the comments are like, dude, is Snehal living in a parallel universe? Nowhere on earth are we gonna buy that people stood up and cheered when
Bro,
Pradip
and the funny part is that in the episode, I am also as shocked as
Yeah.
everybody else was. Ki why is everybody going crazy
and,
about
and I go, oh, they stood up to be like, hey, band karo ye picture.
Okay.
fun times.
ठीक है.
In case you haven't, please go check out the Sunny Sanskari
Oh, yeah.
episode.
One of our most fun reviews, I would say.
Today we're going to talk about Kantara in depth.
Yes.
We're going to review that. Also, we'll speak a little bit about why and how mythology in cinema, what the South is getting correct, what Hindi cinema is probably not getting correct. But before that, we do
Yeah.
a special giveaway for our members. In case you haven't seen this before, we will do a little spin the wheel, which is a randomizer. और इसमें जिस भी मेंबर का नाम आएगा बोथ फ्रॉम कैरमल एंड फॉर सॉल्टेड
तो हम ये 2 बार बेसिकली स्पिन करेंगे. एक बारी का जो हमारा लिस्ट है वो सारा कैरमल पॉपकॉर्न कैरमल टियर वाले लोगों के लिए है, और एक बार जो दूसरा जो होगा वो सॉल्टेड टियर वालों के लिए होगा. जो कैरमल में जो जीतेगा उसको मिलेंगी 2 मूवी टिकट्स एंड अ चांस टू सेंड योर 60-second रिव्यू ऑफ वट एवर मूवी दैट यू चूज इन द गिव अवे. जो भी जिस भी फिल्म की आप 2 टिकट लेना चाहते हो, वो फिल्म जो आप देख के आते हो, तो हम जब भी उस फिल्म के बारे में जब हम एपिसोड करेंगे तो यू कैन सेंड इन योर 60-second रिव्यू. हम लोग उसको एपिसोड के एंड में फीचर करेंगे. जैसे कि इस एपिसोड में जननी जो हमारी पिछले इस गिव अवे की विनर थी, उनका वीडियो कंतारा के बारे में ही उन्होंने अपना रिव्यू भेजा है, वो हम एपिसोड के एंड में डालेंगे. एंड जो सॉल्टेड के विनर होंगे उनको मिलेगा 1 मूवी टिकट. एंजॉय.
ये ठेंगा लग रहा है.
अरे मैंने एंजॉय की मेरा एंजॉय अरे मतलब या
Enjoy. It's a fun thing.
Yeah, it's a fun
Relax.
thing. Just
Okay.
have fun.
Yeah.
So
चलो.
without further ado, उनको स्क्रीन दिखा दे कि हम कुछ चीटिंग नहीं कर रहे हैं.
अरे
वो
यहाँ
आएगा,
में
वो
ऐसा
screen
लगा
record
देगा,
आएगा,
check.
आएगा.
देख लिया करो हमारे बनाए हुए
ऐसे
खुद के
क्या भाई,
एपिसोड.
क्या भाई?
कैसा रे.
Cool. चलो फिर
हमें सिखा रहे हैं.
Without
हमें सिखा रहे हैं. अच्छा.
खुद तो था नहीं पिछले एपिसोड में जब
पिछले
हमने
episode में था,
जब
उसके
हमने
पहले वाले
ये
में
किया
था.
था काटा मत करो सेंटेंस बीच में.
काटना आदत है मेरी. Anyway, let's move
Kantara
on.
is the movie you're doing.
अच्छा कंटिन्यू.
Okay. Spin the wheel and here it goes. Who will it be? How can she slap?
How can
That's-
she slap?
that's the name of a person, guys.
That's the username.
That's the username.
How can she slap?
Yeah.
हमने एक्चुअली बोला था कि हम कैरमल स्पिन करेंगे पहले, बट हमने सॉल्टेड स्पिन कर दिया पहले. बट कोई बात नहीं.
Oh, so-
Free. We don't have. We still have the free version.
Actually,
Guys.
free version,
We don't have the paid
Do
version.
we want to
okay?
build a sexy back?
Take membership so that we can afford the paid version.
Paid version.
Because we also have to take memberships to these
That
platforms.
is not an ad I was expecting.
So congratulations. How can she slap?
Slap
Yeah.
up. He is actually. अब मुझे नहीं पता कि ये
They.
ये की she है. They.
They.
They are actually one of the first few members.
Members,
I think this person joined 3rd or 4th members list पे.
Oh,
So
nice.
this person has actually been with us in the members list since like
Since a
2-3
year.
months. Yeah.
yeah,
Since we
yeah.
started it.
Okay.
So
Thanks, man. Thanks for the support.
DM us without
And-
slapping, and we'll let you know how you can get claim. Okay.
Terrible.
She heavy.
This is an episode of
She
lame
heavy.
jokes.
She
He's
heavy.
doing such lame jokes.
Okay.
All right, caramel tier it is. Spin the wheel and spin.
Modi.
Spin, spin.
Vandita
Rohit.
Congratulations.
Vandita Rohit.
Why do I feel कि this is also someone who's not from India? पता नहीं नाम से मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये वंदिता रोहित इंडिया में तो नहीं पढ़ रहा है. दिस इज
भाई,
किंग्स कॉलेज.
शुभ शुभ बोल भाई. क्या कर रहा है? What is- Okay, so congrats to Vandita and congrats to How Can She Slap.
Slap up.
Two big winners. And Vandita, please feel free to, after you watch the movie, that we will give you tickets for send in your review. That'd be
Yes,
nice.
please.
Very awesome. Moving ahead, guys, before we get to
Swiftly.
what we have to get to, Kantara, I want to talk about the new Kejo style show that is about Too Much with
Twinkle
Kajol and
Khanna
Twinkle.
Kajol.
I
I haven't seen it yet.
You haven't seen any of the episodes?
Even I haven't seen it.
Oh, really?
Because my flatmate who apparently likes वो Big Boss का avid watcher है
He
और
didn't like
उसको भी नहीं पसंद आया. And he
Bro,
said
in fairness to him, this
yeah.
season of Big Boss is quite fun. I'm watching. अब मैं भी घुस गया भाई अब बीवी के चक्कर में. पर
करवा चौथ पे तो मत बोलो ये बातें. मैं भी घुस
अरे
गया
भाई,
बीवी के चक्कर में.
चलेगा भाई. It is what it is, man. It is literally what it is.
ठीक है.
And secondly, Too Much. It is a cheap knockoff of Kejo. It does seem like that for sure. But the thing is, the first episode was with Salman and Amir,
Yeah,
which is okay, very mid episode. Okay, there's a whole segment in the beginning where they make the person eat food and then have some kind of food related memories, which never goes anywhere. They've tried in 2 episodes.
Why don't you write games for them?
Please, guys. What do you think it's up to me or?
Drop. भाई people clearly steal the games that you write. तो आप email कर दो.
Yeah, please. Yeah, I'm happy to. So that game never goes anywhere. Okay, they tried on 2 episodes. 3rd episode, they just knocked it out. Like, fuck that shit. You're not
करने का ही नहीं है.
Dumb game.
हाँ.
Okay, because the second episode then was Alia and Varun. Again, they do this segment. Okay, or it doesn't go anywhere. But most of that episode becomes about parenting. So I don't know
both of
how
them new
relatable that is for
parents, yes,
most for most people. The next episode after that is very good. Saif Ali Khan, Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Kumar.
That
yeah.
is actually a very fun episode. There is one story that I've been thinking about that Saif shares on the episode. If you guys will indulge me.
Oh, that's बड़े में
मैं खिलाड़ी तो
मैं खिलाड़ी तो नहीं, not बड़े में छोटे में.
That is Govinda Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah.
Govinda Amitabh Bachchan, probably 2 people who will never be on an interview together. I'll be very surprised.
Probably, yeah.
Upcoming episode, by the way, of Too Much is Govinda and Changi Pandey. Anyway.
What are you saying,
Yeah,
bro?
the next episode.
Govinda, I can watch.
That
Yeah.
is the Aankhein pairing.
That is the Aankhein pairing.
Yeah,
One of my favorite
pairing
movies.
is quite good.
But there's a bit that the story that Saif Ali Khan shares, okay, about on the Akshay Kumar episode, him and Akshay Kumar episode of that show. Basically, the story is that he was shooting for his first film, Parampara,
Yeah.
with Yash Chopra, the director. Okay, Yash Ji at till that point had worked with like very experienced actors and all. Okay, Saif was like new. He didn't know anything about film acting. He hadn't like learned acting or he was not a professionally trained actor at that point. And so he lands him on set. The first shot he has to take, okay, and Yash Chopra in this very Yash Chopra way, he's like, "Acha tu bas and then tu andar acha partner मैं आ गया." Okay, in a very Yash Chopra way. So Saif आता है, घुसता है, and he says, "अच्छा partner, मैं घुस गया." Yash Chopra like, "Cut." तू हकला क्यों रहा है? Saif like, dude, I had no idea. I had to copy him.
यश चोपड़ा will be
Such a
like,
funny
अरे वो तो शाहरुख का काम है, तू क्यों
Yeah,
निकला रहा है?
Bro, आपने सैफ के वो पुराने वाले इंटरव्यूज देखे हैं जहाँ वो he is clearly
Stoned,
high,
yeah.
stoned, like
किताबें पढ़ लेता हूँ, नींद नहीं
क्या
आती
पढ़ते
रात में यार.
फैज अहमद फैज पढ़ लेता हूँ.
Yeah.
ये
Dude, they
मैं झूठ बोल रहा हूँ.
yeah. Isn't it that one where they ask him who is like a very good actress right now, and he's like hot wise this one, looks wise this one, and he like names
Bro,
it down,
crazy.
and then acting talent wise, Savi Tike or something like that. He's such a very
Dude, he's
very
sitting in
dope.
his black t-shirt, red
Red,
चश्मे,
yeah,
and
yeah,
he's like हे मैं झूठ बोल रहा हूँ. मैं नहीं पढ़ता फैज, मुझे तो पता भी नहीं.
But I would be surprised. Like apparently since then he's become quite a. quite a bit
Now
of
he's really
bookworm.
funny.
He's very witty, he's
Yeah,
very
he's
funny, yeah.
very witty and
Yeah.
reads a lot also apparently. Yeah.
So Too Much, I would say it's time pass watch, but we'll start with the Saif episode. It's,
and then
it's a fun
don't
episode.
watch the
So
first
weekly drop it is, no? New
Yeah,
episode.
it's a weekly drop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right, coming to what we have to come to, guys. The biggest song of the century has dropped. Modi.
Modi
Modi है तो मुमकिन है.
Modi.
What a great spoof song. Oh, it's not a spoof song. I'm bad. My bad. Dude, it starts like a spoof song, dude. Am I crazy?
I don't know, man. I saw
I
what an
loved it.
inspirational
I absolutely
song.
loved it.
Yeah.
I mean, I am inspired.
I absolutely.
I want to be in one of those songs.
I
dude.
think Vikrant Messi ने अपने
Method acting.
career
Method
best
acting. 12th
performance
fail.
किया है.
Fuck that, dude.
Career best
Dude,
performance.
we were just talking about
national
Vikrant
award.
Massey. If you watch that, if you watch the song, okay, Vikrant Massey is really taken in by that song.
Yeah.
Really in the zone because he doesn't just. He's also lip sync
Yeah.
to the song. and everything.
Everybody else is clearly just shot it with a selfie
Bro,
camera.
एक मुझे
or whoever
only
was-
two people stand out. One is Arshad Varsi, one is Vikrant Massey,
Yeah.
जो कि स्पेक्ट्रम के opposite ends पे हैं.
Correct.
भाई
Vikrant goes extra like
Vikrant
he goes that extra surreal he puts.
भाई वो
Amaze,
मतलब
amaze.
मुमकिन है पे उसने है भी किया भाई, ठीक है. And then there is this Arshad Varsi who is probably reading it from the teleprompter.
Side. It's
यहाँ से
a
ऐसा.
नहीं
Notes app.
landscape.
हाँ ऐसा.
Notes app.
Landscape में.
ओ हाँ करेक्ट, ऐसे करके इधर से पढ़ रहा है, इधर गा रहा है। मैंने कहा ओ हैप्पी बर्थडे अमिताभ बच्चन ब्रो।
Oh.
What?
It's
Did Arshad
midnight
Wasi text
today.
you something? What just happened?
11th
of October.
It's 12:02.
Wow, dude. Okay,
Amit ji, happy birthday.
continuing our streak of talking about KRK into consecutive episodes.
हाँ.
Okay.
Oh, dude, you
I know
watched
Arshad
KRK?
Warsi. No,
अच्छा,
not
वो फिर ठीक है.
I know for a fact KRK calls Arshad Warsi Adrak Warsi. I don't know why.
And then,
so
and then
stupid.
he's like कि तुम लेम जोक्स मारते
Yeah,
हो।
bro. It is so
अरशद वारसी
stupid.
को अदरक वारसी बुला रहा है।
Adrak Warsi, bro. Sorry, but happy birthday, Amit ji.
अबे जी ब्रो
Come on the podcast, Amit ji. Can you imagine Amitabh Bachchan in this small tight? यहाँ बीच में बैठेंगे हमारे. Dude, so
ये hot shit.
yeah. Govind and
हॉट सोफा।
Abbas and I have a friend named Govind Menon. Okay, he's a
Yeah,
comedian.
host of Pendament.
Also Spandamento. Okay, and he was watching one of our premieres. Okay, and it was an episode where Kirti was also on the episode, so 3 people on this couch.
Yeah.
And Govind, literally on the live chat, he goes, "Hey, I think there's room for one more person on that couch." So, okay, all right, let's get to it, guys.
Yes.
Kantara.
कांतारा।
We're going to be talking full spoilers. So in case you
Yeah.
haven't
Yeah.
seen Kantara Chapter 1, we should mention
spoilers.
this is Kantara Chapter 1. A
The
legend.
legend.
द
The
लेजेंड
Legend
ऑफ द
Chapter
लेजेंड।
one.
हाँ, अब
Yeah.
इसका जो ये जो पहले आई थी कांतारा उसकी
That has since become chapter 2.
नहीं
No, no,
उसका
no.
प्रीक्वल है ये
Oh,
that is just Kantara.
दैट इज
That is
जस्ट कांतारा।
Kantara. Oh,
अब
okay.
कांतारा चैप्टर 1, अब
Okay.
इसी का एक और आएगा
Chapter 2.
कांतारा चैप्टर 2।
Okay, so the main Kantara will be the sequel to both of these prequels.
या
Actually, we don't
Oh.
know, right? Chapter 2.
नो सो दैट इज व्हाट
That's what it's looking like.
उसमें नहीं वो बोलता है ना, तो फिर वो कुआं कहाँ गया,
कुआं
तो वो
कहाँ
कहता है
गया,
वो
वो
एक
एक
अलग
अलग कहानी है,
दम
हाँ,
कथा है।
correct.
ठीक है, तो वो
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
So
Guys,
technically,
spoiler alert. This is completely the last line of the movie.
ठीक है,
He has
so-
said.
it is like by the
that is
time, like
true.
however many chapters they make, the first Kantara should be seen last. Then
या
it's like Star Wars.
Dude, in all
4,
honesty,
5,
the first
6
Kantara
first.
can be missed also.
Hey, please. I have
Unpopular opinion. Fight me on it in the comments.
Bro, actually, did you like the previous Kantara
I
better
did.
than?
I did.
I
Bro,
didn't
even
think-
I found this
Dude,
one to be better.
This one was better by a
a mile and a
lot.
half, yeah, dude. Same.
Dude, firstly,
Okay, clearly
yeah.
I'm going to be the odd one out.
You
here.
like the previous one more? You like the previous
Yes,
one more?
yeah.
Dude, I feel like we talked about it and you had not liked it.
So
as
the
much.
first one, the kind of hype and the popularity that film got,
Yeah.
I didn't like it that much, but I liked the film. The first Kantara is very
Okay.
well done.
Okay.
The second one, should I give my proper thoughts on? what
पहले
I
नहीं, इस स्ट्रक्चर के साथ जाते हैं जैसा हमारे
Sure.
कमेंट्स में हमें लोग बोलते हैं।
Okay. So I
think?
would,
But एक हाँ बताओ.
ठीक है।
if I can say one thing.
Yes, please.
The first Kantara I felt was a lot of the movie, nothing happened. And then only the
Last half
Yeah.
an hour was
the main thing.
yeah.
I think in this movie, this guy has
Bro,
knocked it out of
भाई-
the park in a lot of
भाई
ways.
दिलजीत का जब कांतारा गाना आता है, मेरा मन कर रहा था मैं उठ के लड़ने चला जाऊं।
Yeah.
भाई मैं इतना
So, dude,
जोश से भर गया था उस टाइम पे।
Firstly,
तो मैं
dude, Rishabh Shetty trance sequences are next level.
Crazy.
Him whenever he's in trance, you cannot blink, dude. It is amazing. You should forget to breathe. Is how amazing that guy is. Okay, but I would say in this movie, compared to the first, this is clearly one of those sequels which is clearly not a cash grab. He has put in so
Bro,
much effort.
crazy, so much
Dude,
effort.
there was a
yes.
lot of talk about how the budget has really ballooned up.
Yeah.
But you see where the money went.
Dude,
yeah.
There's the Tiger CG that they required.
Bro, that's such
Amazing.
a good
So
CG.
good. Dude, that those little
So
lemurs.
again, we
lemurs
are
or
going all
monkeys.
over the place. Let's
हाँ, let's streamline it,
Yeah,
of
of
course.
it.
All right,
But
cool.
बजट की बात
But firstly, just in a synopsis, in a nutshell,
मैं बता
if
रहा
you
हूँ
guys
बता रहा हूँ
have
बट
to
मैं
say,
एक
yeah.
बजट की बात हुई है तो मैं उसके बाद बताता हूँ।
हाँ.
बजट का, सो आई वाज वाचिंग दिस वन ऑफ द ओल्ड राउंड टेबल्स जहाँ पे जब कांतारा पहली वाली आई थी,
और राजीव मसंद का राउंड टेबल.
राजीव मसंद का नहीं था, आई थिंक ये अनुपमा चोपड़ा का था।
Oh, this is on Netflix का.
नहीं नहीं यार, फिल्म कंपेनियन ही होगा ना तब तो।
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes.
ठीक है,
हाँ.
तो
Correct.
एंड आई थिंक अनुपमा आस्क्स दिस क्वेश्चन कि आपने इतने कम बजट पे ये पिक्चर बना ली एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट। आई थिंक द प्रीवियस बजट वाज 14 CR, ठीक है। एंड ही इन हिज सिंप्लिसिटी ही इज सिटिंग एंड इज लाइक कि मैम मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं, इससे पिछली पिक्चर मैंने 1.4 CR में बनाई थी। तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं इतने सारे बजट का क्या
So
करूंगा.
wait, 1.4 CR, then 14 CR. This should be 140 CR.
This
what?
is actually around 120 CR.
Oh, but
Like,
it wouldn't be
हाँ.
perfect just moving
तो
the decimal
like,
point
so
one.
he actually says कि पिछली पिक्चर मैंने 1 करोड़ या कुछ इतने में बनाई थी, तो मुझे टेंशन थी कि 14 करोड़ का बजट मैं कैसे जस्टिफाई कर पाऊंगा. और हमें देख लो, हम 14 करोड़ में हमारी सेलिब्रिटी का वैनिटी आता है.
14 crore is what my budget is for the movie, guys.
Just to review it.
Yeah, man.
And dude, it's just so like, you know,
That's why nobody pays us. Oh, that makes sense.
but dude, like in all, अगर आप देखो ना कि अगर उसने 14 करोड़ में वो पिक्चर वो बना सकता है, इसका मतलब है ना कि रिसोर्सेज इस प्राइस पे, इस बजट पे अवेलेबल हैं.
Yeah, bro, that's what we spoke about during the Loka review also.
Loka
right?
review as well, right?
Dude,
Yeah.
I have like a thought about these balloons that these budgets that skyrocket.
Can I say one thing though? I think it also helps that he's also the writer, director, star of the movie.
Also comes from the region that the story that he's telling.
right? So he doesn't have to pay another star to be in the film. He's not casting.
In that way, sure.
Yeah.
In that
so
way,
he's
yeah, sure.
saving.
He's
a
the star
massive
himself.
amount
Yeah,
of budget
sure.
in that
भाई
sense also.
श्योर, बट
Yeah.
अगर उस बजट में भी इसने ऐसा VFX ले आया है,
absolutely, yeah,
that's not something जो हम लोग वॉर 2 में 400 करोड़ का बजट था.
यार वॉर 2 की तो
नहीं,
वॉर
मैं
2 का
War
वो
2 की बात नहीं, मैं War 2 specific
पहले
की बात
पहले
नहीं
सीन
कर रहा.
वाले भेड़िए को याद कर रहा था मैं, जब शेर आ
हाँ.
रहा था उस पे कि वो
भाई
कंपेयर कर लो
भाई वो
दोनों
भेड़िया
को.
तो फिर ठीक था. वॉर 2 के बाकी जो एक्शन सीक्वेंसेस के VFX थे वो कैसे थे. बट एनीवे,
Dude, I did notice one thing common between War 2 and Kantara 2. Kantara Chapter 1. Should I say it right now? It's like part of plot.
क्या
तू ऐसे क्यों देख रहा है?
आई एम जस्ट
बहुत
होपिंग
ही भद्दा comparison
आई एम
है ये
जस्ट
दोनों.
होपिंग कि कोई माइथोलॉजी पे जोक ना मारे जो मेरे को
अच्छा.
कट करना पड़े.
I'm like, oh, you see Christian me or something? For the last 2 minutes, his expression hasn't changed. Okay, I'm saying, so there's a common trope that I talked about when War 2 came out also. And it's in this movie also. This is the Marvel villain thing that they do, where they'll introduce a villain as the main villain and then kill him off
kill
midway
them
through,
off, yeah.
and then supposedly develop the next couple of villains or whatever, which don't have the same impact as the first villain that they already killed.
फेयर. हाँ, फेयर.
I think they do that very
वो
well.
मैं 2 स्पॉइलर की यही बात कर रहा था कि गुलशन देवा's character is killed off and then a character who we think is on the good side
Oh,
is
yeah,
then revealed
that's-
to be
हाँ.
on the bad
That
side.
reveal was cool.
That reveal was very cool.
Yeah,
That
but
was very cool.
So guys, we'll quickly take you through the plot of the movie
हाँ.
Kantara, because we realize we've already given a lot of spoilers without actually going into the plot details, which
हाँ.
is not how reviews should work.
हाँ.
I feel.
But when have we followed the
हाँ.
Hey man, we are rule breakers.
अब हमें पता है कि उसमें टाइगर है. अब हमें पता है कि उसके अंदर 2
गुलशन
स्पॉइलर
देवया
है. गुलशन देवया मर जाता है, लेकिन प्लॉट हम हमें बता रहे हैं.
plot ये रहा.
ये रहा. अब
So
बस.
I'll try and roughly synopsize the plot.
Sum it up.
Sum it up, yeah. So
Synopsize क्या है? You're
तो
making
पहले
up-
पहले
you're making
कंटारा
up
में,
English?
जो 2022 में कंटारा आई थी, the place where that film ended, literally the forest in which that film ended. This film is sort of the history of that place. So it's set about 500 to 600 years apparently before the events of the first film. और हमें इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाता है 2 sides से. There is one side which is the forest of Kantara, which has tribals living in it, and on the other side of the forest border is a kingdom which is ruled by sort of a cruel
राजा
king,
जी,
जो लालच के लालच में
Correct? Yes. it
जो
is.
लालच में.
Yes.
लालच में कंतारा के फॉरेस्ट में आ जाता है टू गेट मोर स्पाइसेस सो दैट ही कैन गेट मोर एंड देन सेल मोर एंड मेक मोर मनी. बट जब वो वहाँ पहुँचता है, जब वो वहाँ का इकोसिस्टम बिगाड़ देता है, सो देर इज अ लोकल डेटी ऑफ द कंतारा फॉरेस्ट
Dev, yeah.
who we also witnessed in the first film, which drives them away. तो उस राजा के बेटे में ये आइडिया बस जाता है कि उस सेक्शन में नहीं जाना है. Then we fast forward.
Like an unsaid fear that is
Yes,
passed down
yeah.
through generation.
We fast forward to one generation. The king and the tribals of Kantara are maintaining their own separate distance. Everything is in harmony. So उस राजा का जब बेटा होता है, played by गुलशन देवया, he also has a sister. So गुलशन देवया is very बहुत ही मतलब वो शराब पी के और बिल्कुल ही unjust ruler है.
He's a nepo kid.
Yes. He's a nepo kid. Anyway, fast forward. तो साथ में we also shown how the tribes people are growing, and their savior is a man called Birne, who is played by Rishabh Shetty. उसकी पैदाइश में भी थोड़ा सुपर नेचुरल एलिमेंट था जो हमको बाद में पता चलता है. एंड देन एट वन पॉइंट इन द मूवी बोथ दीज ट्राइब्स पीपल एंड द किंगडम क्रिस क्रॉस, और उसकी वजह से देन सम इवेंट्स
things happen
and all shit goes down.
हाँ,
And it turns out also that in this forest they are not just the tribe that we are
हाँ,
Yes, there is
following
also another tribe,
which is like more inclined towards black magic.
Black magic,
what have you.
हाँ.
cultish black magic,
Yeah.
black magic type.
Again, very cool, huh, by the way. That
Very
whole
cool,
thing
very
was
cool, yeah.
very cool.
Bro, but they've given them blackface.
Bro,
That
no,
was
don't
that
look at it
was
like that.
one of my problems with the movie. Dark
Bro,
skinned
that's
people
not-
are evil.
But
Oh,
okay,
bro,
but they've
no.
clearly-
Yeah.
no, but this
Yeah.
for the purposes of this movie, I also thought that maybe yes, it could be construed in that way. But my explanation to that was that in this world, it makes sense because their entire tribe is black skinned. Okay, so and they keep rubbing like soot and all
So
onto
the darker
themselves.
you are, the more
No,
evil you will
they
be.
keep rubbing soot on themselves. So that's part of their identity as a tribe
So why make them a shade darker?
because the suit.
What does the suit have to do with the skin color?
Suit is black and black suit. Baba, the fire ka suit. SOOT. वाला suit.
Okay, so if they rub soot on their
भस्म
body,
बेसिकली विभूति भस्म की
why
राख.
should the evil people be rubbing soot on their body to make themselves darker?
That's related to black magic and all. No, that's just.
That's a very literal.
No, so I'll tell
That's
I'll tell you
very-
क्या होता है. ये कभी भी आप देखो ना, it's not. I don't think it's more about the skin color. I think it's about what a color psychology में what color denotes.
Which is problematic.
It is problematic तो है ही है.
Yeah.
मैं उस चीज को वो नहीं कर रहा. मैं आपकी एक लेयर का एक just thinking out loud कर रहा हूँ कि अब जैसे अगर आप कोई भी हमारी क्लासिक शैलो हिंदी फिल्म देखो जहाँ पे
काला रंग होता है.
हाँ,
जो,
तो वो जब
या तो
मेनेसिंग
बदसूरत है या तो
जब मैंने कभी आप जैसे मुगल्स को दिखाना होता है तो वो अंधेरे महलों में वो महलों में बैठे हैं एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. तो व्हेनेवर यू रावण का हमेशा काला महल दिखाना. सो आई थिंक दैट्स मोर विद द डार्कनेस विद
Yeah, but
and less.
if we
And it
know
added-
that is problematic, there is a moment, there is an opportunity to correct that. But this film doesn't.
For
do that.
sure.
That was
Fair.
one of my.
बट आई
grouses
थिंक
with it.
एक जो डार्कनेस जो
And you
राजा
know
है वो भी तो
okay. Even the actors who are cast in the movie, they don't naturally have that skin color. They have
Yeah,
been
yeah, of course.
made darker on purpose.
Yeah. Nobody.
to show
that's-
them as more menacing, which
Yeah.
is something that didn't sit right with me.
Oh, did really? So normally I get
मुझे-
what you mean.
मुझे यही
Normally I
लगा
would
जो
have
इनको
had
लगा,
the-
हाँ.
Yeah, I would have had a problem with it normally, but I think for the purposes of this film, in that world,
yeah.
I think it fit very.
जब
well,
मैं उसको
in my
देखता हूँ कि
opinion.
वो
In my opinion,
पूजा
again.
करते हुए राख उठा के ऐसे लगाते हैं ऐसे
हाँ,
तो
but-
that is when it made sense to me. नहीं तो उससे पहले अब you can make your arguments that way.
Yeah. Also, like like just in this world, this one village had Rishabh Shetty's character, which made all those water funnels and all happen. The other kingdom doesn't have water, so they can't bathe.
ठीक है अंतरिक्ष keep making excuses to satisfy yourself.
But like
और भी कुछ है?
नहीं.
but
चाय ज्यादा पीते हैं उससे उनका रंग काला
anyway so basically सीन ये है कि इसके अंदर एक चीज हम अनफॉर्चुनेटली कन्नड़ा में हम नहीं देख पाए तीनों.
हाँ, even I had to watch
क्योंकि
it in Hindi.
बहुत दिन वेट करने के बाद भी कन्नड़ा का कोई बहुत ही ऑड टाइमिंग्स पे
Time
शो
है,
हैं
9
और
बजे सुबह में
सुबह
है.
हाँ ऑफिस वगैरह जाना होता है यूजुअली 3 में से एक इंसान को.
Unfortunately हम ट्राइब में नहीं रहते हैं.
तो वो नहीं देख पाए. हिंदी में देखनी पड़ी. तो हमारे जो कुछ वर्ड्स कुछ रेफरेंसेस हैं वो शायद हिंदी की वजह से हम वो है. जैसे उसके अंदर वो बोलते हैं कि वो क्या उस फ्रेज बोलते हैं कंतारा का दैव्य का मधुबन दैव्य का मधुबन दैव्य का मधुबन बोलते हैं वो कि जो
मधुबन में जो कन्हैया. अच्छा, okay. Is the village called Bandra?
Yeah, that's
oh bro yeah you're right.
It was
Shit,
called Bandra,
yes.
right?
It was
no,
like
that was Bandargarh, which is a
Oh,
port.
no, but a few people said Bandra for sure.
नहीं
At least in the Hindi dub.
बंदरगाह तो इज अ पोर्ट
Yeah.
बट किंगडम का नाम बांद्रा नहीं था.
कोई तो बांद्रा लोगों ने बोला.
बांगड़ बोलते हैं वो लोग.
अच्छा चलो
maybe I heard Bandra.
नाउ दैट यू आर सेइंग इट मेरे माइंड में बांद्रा लग रहा है. बट एनीवे
Yeah, bro.
बांद्रा में व्यापार तो होता है. Makes sense.
The big fight that happened at Carter Road.
तो आई फील जब वो व्यापार की बात करते हैं,
The only forest in Bandra is forest essentials. Okay, there's nothing else. Thank you guys. Thank you. That was my contribution. Thank you. Yes.
सो आई फील जब वो कांतारा में जब उनको देखते हैं कि हमारे स्पाइसेस का कितना वैल्यू है वहाँ पे, सो जब वो वहाँ पे अपना सारा व्यापार करके वापस आते हैं तो वो आके बोलते नहीं कि अरे सब कुछ तो तुम ले गए थे, अब क्या व्यापार करने जा रहे हो. देन ही सेज कि हम जंगल के अंदर जा रहे हैं और कुछ ढूंढने. तो व्हाट आई फील जो उन्होंने वहाँ पे दिखाया वाज द कॉफी. दे फाइंड कॉफी देयर एंड दे आर लाइक
कॉफी भी
मुझे ऐसा लगा,
didn't look like coffee.
हो सकता है मैं गलत हूँ, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि दे आर इन नीड ऑफ अनदर स्पाइस, अनदर समथिंग दैट जो उनके पास ना हो, एंड दे फाउंड कॉफी. सो वो इलायची और उसकी जगह वो कॉफी ट्रेड करने
As we
जाएंगे.
all know, coffee drinkers are evil
like,
people. So
But ठीक है, coffee is fine, but lemur coffee doesn't. There's no connection to lemur.
सो आई फील आई टेल यू जो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि लीमर्स, अब मुझे नहीं पता लीमर से या वो केवेट से क्या थे, केवेट्स का कॉफी बनता है ना, सिवेट, हाँ व्हाटएवर. भाई अपन नेस्कैफे पीते, अपने को नहीं पता भाई.
civet is a cat. Civet is a cat, bro.
yeah, and I don't know. The animals in this movie were definitely lemurs.
Yeah, look.
But
definitely
if
look
you
like
know the significance of them, please put it.
What I felt was कि उन्होंने they realized कि मतलब आई थिंक जो भी एनिमल है उस एनिमल का सिग्निफिकेंस ब्लैक मैजिक से नहीं है. वो एरिया में वो एनिमल्स बहुत सारे थे जो कॉफी प्रोड्यूस करते थे एंड
It's
उनको
not. I think the coffee.
चलो ठीक
production
है,
is
फक
getting
कॉफी,
in there.
ठीक है. तो वहां पे बहुत सारे एनिमल्स थे एंड उनको जब कांतारा से उनको निकाल दिया उस ट्राइब को, तो दे फाउंड अ प्लेस एंड वो आप देखा नहीं कि वो पेड़ों पे उन्होंने उस एनिमल को
That's to ward off whatever deity they don't want entering that
तो
space.
मुझे लगता है कि उन्होंने उस एनिमल जो मुझे परसेप्शन जो मुझे समझ में आया, परसीव किया कि उन्होंने उस एनिमल को उस एनिमल पे ब्लैक मैजिक करके
Yeah,
उनको
correct.
अपने वश में
That
कर
I
लिया
got.
था.
That is true.
एंड आई थिंक उस एनिमल का ब्लैक मैजिक से कोई रिलेशन नहीं है, ब्लैक मैजिक से उन्होंने उस एनिमल को
Yeah, so
वो
that's
कर
what,
लिया.
that's what I'm trying to understand. Okay, is it in mythology, is lemur something also like
मुझे तो लग रहा
boar deity? Is
मुझे
there
तो
like a
लग रहा
lemur
था
deity?
मुझे तो लग रहा था कॉफी बन रही थी वहां पे. अगर बाय इफ
That entire village, the entire black magic tribe, their main goal is
That makes sense.
Coffee.
Because Bandra is full of coffee shops.
correct. And coffee makes you dark skinned. Full circle, Abbas. It makes sense now.
Yeah, they're all into black coffee. They don't-
बढ़िया
they
है.
don't
तो
like coffee.
फिर कांतारा यूनिवर्स में एक सबको भी होना चाहिए था.
सबको कॉफी पीनी चाहिए.
सब ऋषभ शेट्टी उसे आज मैं कैफी कॉफी डे जा रहा हूँ. लीमर कॉफी
Fair
भी.
enough. Okay, so then let's come to some other aspects of the movie.
Yes.
Okay, firstly, BGM कैसा लगा तुमको यार?
Bro, I thought the movie was too loud for me.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Especially the
That's
last
why I was
half
asking
an
your
hour.
age, bro. इससे पहले मुझे लग रहा था कि it's the age factor.
So can I give my overall?
Yeah,
I feel
please.
like
Yes,
because
actually,
you
yeah, we
two
did
are
not.
like way too positive on this movie.
Yeah.
I also see. Say like what I liked, what I didn't like. A+ for scale. Okay, the
Yeah.
scale of the movie, the way the
पूरा
canvas on which it
6
has
foot.
been mounted. So I didn't watch it in IMAX, but while watching the movie in a normal theater, some sequence I was like, man, this must have been great in IMAX.
Crazy in IMAX,
The blame is on War 2, which I did watch in IMAX,
Arre?
and it has given me PTSD. After that, I am a little
get
hesitant
it.
to watch any
get
Indian
it.
movie in IMAX, but this should, if you get a chance, please watch
I
it.
also believe that everything wrong with movies should be blamed on War.
Based
2,
on
for
War 2,
sure.
yeah, definitely. Bro, War 2 का वो starting का wolf वाला CGI और कंतारा में
Oh, bro.
animal
Not
CGI
even-
compare कर
can't
bro.
even compare,
It's
bro.
insane.
Insane.
How well they have done.
Dude,
it
again,
in
you
Kantara.
compare the budgets also, and
Exactly.
you
450 करोड़ का बजट भाई
Yeah,
for
you
War.
know
Yeah.
that budget, this Kantara budget did not go into stoking someone's fucking ego. It went into fucking
Yeah, because
War.
like I said,
Yeah.
actor, director.
yeah, which is
everything.
again, man. Hrithik should
secondly,
direct War 3.
the
Krish
fact
4.
that
Krish 4.
it's a big screen experience. So if you want one word review from me whether I should watch it in theater or not, please go watch it. What I thought the film was too bloated. It has got too much happening. It's a 2 hour 48-minute movie. You can easily cut out 45
Sure,
minutes from
that I
it.
agree.
What?
No, that I agree with.
The humor
No,
did
some-
not
yeah.
land for me at all. Except for Gulshan Deve. I think Gulshan Deve is really good. I think all his bits I
Bro,
really
you
like.
think 45 minutes of the film was unnecessary?
No, I think like yeah, maybe about
The
half an hour,
entire
sure.
chunk after Gulshan Deva's death, I just did not relate to it at all. I'm like, why is this
Bro,
film
dude,
still
no.
going
So
on?
the thing
No,
is, yeah,
no,
dude, like
no,
I would have
no,
thought
no.
like the way
So-
they set it up that Gulshan Deva was going to be the main villain, right?
That's fine.
That's somebody
After he's
different.
dead, that twist that it's actually his sister who was the big bad of the film, I was very mixed on it.
I like that.
really got tired after about an hour and a half. I'm like, why is this film still going
Dude,
on?
and that the twist of the father was great. Was thoda didn't land for me.
Which twist?
The father, where he's like the entire when Gulshan Dev was alive, he's like, okay, don't mess with the people of Kantara, don't mess with the people of Kantara. And then suddenly one day his daughter
Again, that is implied because the daughter gets him on
Gets
his
him-
side
okay,
through
sure.
evil black
yeah,
magic.
fair. Chalo. If you want to
When you asked me about the first Kantara comparison, the first Kantara was way more focused. It's a film about nature versus man. In this film also, that point is there, but it's buried under layers upon layers upon layers of things happening. Multiple tribes, multiple subplots going against each other. The film was too convoluted for me, and by the last half hour, I totally lost interest.
The
So, yeah.
only track that I thought could have been cut out and it wouldn't have made a difference was the Dampisaj track. That's pretty much
Dampisaj
it.
is what?
The demon जो वो उसमें नहीं होता केव में होता
वो
है
तो ट्रैक भी नहीं था, वो तो एक सीक्वेंस
हाँ मतलब नहीं द ओनली वही कह रहा हूँ कि यार बट मुझे कहीं पे ऐसा नहीं लगा कि स्टोरी बहुत लंबी जा रही है कुछ बिकॉज आई वाज कंप्लीटली फुल्ली एनग्रॉस्ड
Exactly, I was also. I would
like I
agree.
said, the film was too. When I said too loud, yes, sonically also very loud. And when everything is turned up to 11, I'm like, then I'm losing a bit of like, give me some ups and downs. Which for the first about 65% of the movie is there. Last 35%, everything is turned up to 11, and it just gets too overwhelming and too much for me.
I
so yeah.
kind of can understand what you're
Yeah,
saying for
yeah,
sure.
yeah.
That's definitely a great that's a totally valid argument. Too loud, sure. That's of course an argument for these kind of films when too much is happening. They want to accentuate everything with fucking extra loud BGM to get the emotions going. I
Yeah,
get it.
yeah.
Sometimes they may go overboard, which is fair. I did not feel that. There are. So there was like a couple of moments, okay, where I thought the movie nailed it. Okay, one was the opening sequence of when they have crashed
Yeah.
the building of that mandir kind of platform, and then that whole platform is rolling down the hill, and these guys are on it. I thought that sequence was amazing. That sequence reminded me of one of my some of my favorite movies, the favorite movie series, Pirates of the Caribbean.
Yeah.
The second movie where the whole have you seen the movie? Have you seen Pirates?
Long ago.
yeah but long back
I to rewatch them like every couple of months. I love those movies. So there is a sequence in the second movie, Dead Man's Chest,
yeah.
where they are on a massive wheel, like Jack Sparrow and two other people are on a massive wheel fighting. So like Will Turner also, Orlando Bloom's character, are fighting on like a massive wheel and it's rolling down a hill towards the beach. And there's like chaos in the middle. There's a little bit of humor on the side. Like for instance, the humor in this movie was Kantara was the person has told the princess. The trader has told the princess के अब मैं ऊपर नहीं आ पाऊंगा तो मेरा बेटा आ सकता है because मेरे को चढ़ने में मुश्किल है. But then he climbs up, okay, and then the princess just looks at him के what is this leg thing, And
जो
that's
किसी
like
और को बचाने के लिए
moment of-
4 फीट की दीवार नहीं टाप पाए वो खुद को बचाने के लिए ये 3 फीट का कटघरा और वो 6 फीट की दीवार कूद के अब तक कैसे आ गए
Nice, exactly. So this moment in this movie was very pirate-esque. I loved that. I don't know if they were intending to make it that way, but that vibe fit perfectly because also I heard, if I'm not wrong, they had a lot of international action directors and CGI artists, etc. So I wouldn't be surprised at all if one of the people was from the Pirates movie, and that's the vibe that I wanted to catch because the setting of it, the even almost to like see these tribal the tribe that Rich Shetty's character belongs to. In some ways they dress like pirates.
Yeah.
In certain ways, you know, like those sleeveless tunics, kind of whatever. All of that kind of played into this very well. The second thing is that there were other like moments which are like just perfect, right? Perfect. I feel that the whole action choreography very well done.
Very well done.
Very well done. That whole forest sequence with the dark skinned tribe, the black magic
The
tribe.
forest action sequence are very well done. Yeah.
Incredible. So well done. And also even more impressive because even though it's dark, at no point am I thinking, is this person in this tribe or is in that tribe? They did it so well and so clearly done. Rishabh Shetty, to make him look superhuman, they make him look superhuman. If dude, I trust. अगर रिस्पेक्ट मेरे को मिलेगा, मेरे को हैंड शेक करेगा, मेरा हाथ टूट जाएगा.
Bro, you're right.
So,
मतलब वही है ना कि भाई
जब
तुम अपना CGI टाइगर बनाने में लगाते हो और एब्स बनाने में नहीं लगाते.
yeah,
ठीक है.
yeah, that's true.
Bro, word play, हाँ, टाइगर, हाँ, एब्स,
wow. But
So, yeah,
Tiger is the one person he doesn't need CGI abs though. I think
अबे टाइगर.
Oh, I think Tiger Shroff, bro. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, good one. Nice. There are layers.
ए लेयर्स, ऐसा हाँ सिर्फ कंतारा में लेयर्स है क्या?
Oh, dude, somehow we find a way to make fun of Salman Khan in every episode.
Bro, and the funny part is that I तो fully love सलमान खान.
Yeah, I like Salman, dude. I like Salman.
It's okay, bro. I will understand.
Like, dude, again, coming back to Salman, quick.
Coming back to सलमान नहीं, coming back to कंतारा.
I know, but quick
अच्छा,
Salman
but talking
tangent.
about Salman, yes.
Yeah, quick Salman tangent. In the Too Much episode with Kajol and Twinkle, which the first episode was Amir and Salman, okay?
Yeah.
Salman is very funny. There is a part.
Bro, if he wants, he can actually be very
Correct,
funny,
I
off
agree.
the cuff. Yeah.
There is a part where part of the one segment of the show is there are two boxes made. One is a green box, like saying yes, I agree, and one is a red box saying no, I don't agree. And they give like an unpopular opinion of sorts, and then people have to either agree by going into the agree box or not.
Disagree. Yeah.
Okay, and Salman does this thing where he'll always go against the tide, where the others have gone, he'll always go against, and he'll always have a very funny argument as to why he's right. And then when everyone else comes to his side, like, no, fuck you guys, I'm actually meant to be here. And he has an argument for that side also, which I thought was very funny.
That's just Salman being
Yeah,
Salman.
but very, very, very nicely done, I would say. He's fun like that. Amir was very young.
बीच में आके राइटर ने रीजन दिया होगा ना भाई ये बोलना क्या है.
सलीम खान के
भाई it's just so funny. मेरे ना रील्स पे वो अभिनव कश्यप का वो इंटरव्यू आता रहा and bro it's just bro randomly
What a thing has happened,
bro
bro.
पता है so edit
Number
like
one
editor
comment I've read about that
हाँ.
Abhinav Kashyap is, please can Abhinav Kashyap wear a shirt where it's not held on by for dear life
bro,
by his buttons.
bro एक अपना एडिटर्स और जो ये अपना वीडियो एडिटर्स है ना उन्होंने उसका सलमान एडिट्स बना दिए हैं कि सलमान बीइंग डूड ठीक है ऑन अभिनव एंड आई वाज लाइक हाउ डिड यू फाइंड दिस पॉइंट वेयर ही इज बैशिंग सलमान लेफ्ट राइट एंड सेंटर एंड यू स्टिल फाउंड अ वे टू फकिंग की सलमान एंड यू नो व्हाट दैट पॉइंट इज वेयर इज लाइक कि वो मुझे पूरे सेट पे लौड़ू आता रहा एंड देन अचानक से सलमान यहाँ मेरी पहली रात नहीं है.
Oh my god. Oh, that's so funny. That's so funny.
चलो we won भाई back.
Nice. Okay, coming back to Kantara.
Yes. यहाँ मेरी पहली
How
रात
do
नहीं
you
है.
how do you say the name properly? Is it Kantara? Is it
So
Kantara?
मैंने बहुत वीडियोस मैंने देखा है, जो दिलजीत का गाना है उसमें वो कांतारा ही बोल रहा है.
Kantara. Okay.
ठीक है.
With
But
a soft T, right?
with a soft T, yes.
Yeah.
But there are a lot of
Soft T. Not a soft T one.
Yeah, Diljit is a soft
soft T. But there are a lot of videos जहाँ पे लोग कांतारा बोल रहे हैं, कुछ में कंटारा बोल
What
रहे
does
हैं.
Rishabh Shetty say? I don't know. I actually don't.
I think he says कांतारा only.
कांतारा, right?
But अगर वो इंग्लिश में जब वो सेंटेंस फॉर्म करता है तो आई थिंक वो कांतारा बोलता है. Bro, you know there's this Rishabh Shetty faced a lot of backlash in the Telugu region.
Telugu or Kannada?
Oh yeah, I know this.
Telugu, not
because
Kannada.
he
Okay, why?
No, because he didn't speak the
Because he
language.
didn't speak in Telugu.
When he was promoting a movie at an event, which is
Yeah.
so ridiculous to expect if he doesn't know the language. How can he speak in that language?
So apparently, like a lot of people are saying that he doesn't know Hindi also, but he was trying to.
Hindi he speaks quite.
Man, he was speaking quite. मैंने जाके उसके वीडियोस देखे. अबे भाई तो सही तो बोल रहा है हिंदी.
But that makes sense to me in the sense like a random person in India, it's a lot easier to pick up
Bro,
Hindi and
again,
random
we
words.
don't live in South India. Have you seen
There is crossover
Have you
with
ever
languages.
seen the Rajnikant trailer launch and music launches?
No.
Okay. Everybody comes. So, like for example, for Coolie had one star from every industry: Nagarjuna, Telugu, Rajnikant, Tamil, Amir Khan, Hindi,
Sure.
and there was a Kannada star also, Upendra. Right?
यही डायलॉग जानवी कपूर का है परम सुंदरी में.
वहीं से inspiration. But when these launches happen, they all come. They at least say a few lines in Tamil before switching to either English
So
or
that
their own.
exactly. So he's getting a lot of hate. I don't know a lot of hate or not, but like I saw a bunch of comments who were basically saying that क्या कहते हैं उसको, बैन क्या बॉयकॉट
But
द
yeah,
फिल्म
people should
इन
understand, dude. This is such a like ऐसे
भाई
cooking up,
हमको
it's like
हाँ,
nitpicking.
तेरे को नहीं आइडिया किस लेवल की फैन फॉलोइंग
No,
होती
correct.
है
Fan
South
following
में।
होगी, but isn't
But
this
then
on
again-
if you look at it objectively, isn't this nitpicking? It is.
यार लैंग्वेज हैज ऑलवेज बीन अ टची टॉपिक नो,
yeah.
बिकॉज अगेन सी
But again, dude.
भाई हम
as
लोग
a
ये बात कह पा
whole-
रहे हैं क्योंकि हम हिंदी स्पीकिंग मार्केट से आते हैं, तो हम बोलते हैं तो क्या हो गया भाई, हिंदी में बोल लो, नहीं बोलना. द थिंग इज
So I've never had a problem with any language.
I
That's what I'm
completely
saying.
get it what you're saying. I completely understand from a
When
very
a cop stops you in Bombay, what language do you try and speak to him?
Dude, I don't know Marathi at all. I have to speak in Hindi only.
भाई ये पॉडकास्ट बंद होना.
Guys, yeah, I'm trying to think of the Marathi word.
जाऊ द्या ना साहेब.
हे मुलांना काय बोलले की त्याला मराठी माहित नाही.
What
मला
the
फक्त
fuck, bro? Abby?
मला फर्राटेदार मराठी माहिती आहे, त्याला पण मराठी नाही माहित.
माझा फोन कुठे आहे?
मराठी.
माझा मराठी नाही.
Stop speaking like
माहिती आहे.
Karan Johar. What is mallet?
Bro.
Okay, now we have to talk
Let's
about
back to
Kejo.
Kantara.
also.
Yeah, I think we've digressed
Okay,
a lot.
we'll get to Kejo if we get to
Yeah, if you want to get to Kejo.
Yeah.
But it's like, what is this Kurla?
Kerala.
Kurla. Kurla से left जाके ये रहेजा विहार what?
Great place, Reza yaar.
Anyway, so bro, one of the highlights. Diljit, bro.
Wow, in a Kannada film, he
Bro.
found a Sardar.
Bro, एक second. एक
Oh, so
second.
Delhi हो गई,
एक
bro.
second. Tell me आपके अंदर ऐसा
It was very well done.
Very
Yeah,
well.
very
भाई
well sung.
सी जब मैंने देखा था ना दिलजीत का जब प्रोमो आया था कि दिलजीत इज गोना बी सिंगिंग अ सॉन्ग इन कांतारा, तो आई वाज लाइक भाई ये दिलजीत को धनिया क्यों बना रखा है तुमने कि जो बड़ी पिक्चर आए लेट्स स्प्रिंकल अ दिलजीत सॉन्ग. और क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर दिलजीत का जो टूर हुआ, ब्लैक मार्केटिंग हुआ टिकट्स पे वगैरह वगैरह,
Tonight show.
of course, so everybody wanted a Diljit song in their films, right?
Everybody wanted a piece of Diljit Dosanjh.
Everybody wanted a piece of Diljit. Oh Alexa, play Clash by Diljit Dosanjh. ठीक है, हुणे चलाया तू, हुणे चलाया. But anyway, sorry, चूठी है.
People think what just happened to Snehal. This is the famous reel of Diljit that went viral, guys. इसको सौदा नहीं पड़ेगा, दौरा नहीं पड़ेगा इसको.
If anybody knows Diljit, they know this reel.
Yeah, bro, I swear.
Okay,
ठीक है,
okay.
चलो
But
anyway.
if they don't-
So when I saw the promo, when I was like, why is Diljit singing a song in Kantara? Because there is like the words don't match at all. But bro, the way they've like figured the song out, it's crazy. भाई जब दिलजीत चिल्लाता ना हो कांतारा, I was like, bro, crazy. I was fully pumped, dude. एक तो वो उस पॉइंट पे आता है जब रिबेलियन एकदम लड़ने जा ही रही होती है एंड पीछे से नगाड़ा बज रहा है, देन दिलजीत गोज लाइक माय बॉय फ्रॉम कनाडा.
Yes, true. Yeah, that's-
बहुत अच्छा लगा था मेरे को. ये अपना रुक्मणी वाला ट्विस्ट जो लाइक द फीमेल लीड, रुक्मणी वाला ट्विस्ट क्रेजी. आई डिडंट सी इट कमिंग.
Okay.
जब वो मुझे वो
I didn't see it coming.
वो जब वो बोल, क्योंकि हमने हिंदी में देखी है.
Even you didn't see it coming though, did you?
I didn't see it coming, but I thought it was a little unnecessary.
Again, that's an argument. I understand your argument,
Yeah.
but I feel, see, I already have a problem with the multiple villain arc thing. Like where they build up a villain, kill him, and then build up another villain. I feel that always happens.
I
a little
was
late
very
in the
surprised
process.
when Gulshan Devaya's character dies.
Yeah.
Oh,
Because
same, yes.
I'm
I was
like, there's
picture
still
to khatam.
an hour of
Yeah.
the movie to go.
I was like, okay, is it going to be now the conflict with the other tribe?
Yeah.
Probably, right?
And the way they pace it, that's the other thing. I thought the screenplay was a little uneven. Because jab Rishabh ke andar first time the Guliga comes, that is just after Gulshan Devaya has killed his
Mother.
adoptive mother, right?
Yeah.
So then you have that insane sequence where he
Where they actually name Rodra Guliga this
where he
yeah.
possesses
Yeah.
and he
Yeah.
kills off.
Bro, he
Gulshan.
kills it quite literally.
Then right after that, again, then that old man touches him and he goes out of the trance.
Yeah.
And then the next moment we're supposed to feel sad and looking around at the destruction of the village. The pacing of that felt very off. I'm like, you've just given us the highest of highs and proven that this guy can take revenge when it's
In an instance.
in an instance, and he's the savior. And then suddenly to bring it down to the destruction felt very off.
Man, so I get what
but
you're saying.
I
Again,
was getting
but they
it.
got to
So
acknowledge that, no?
after the Gulshan Devaya death, then there is that moment build up where the song also happens where they are establishing the temple in the other kingdom, right?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
there's a crack in the shivling and then
yeah.
that's why we need to come together. And then the twist comes, right? उसमें मेरे को pacing थोड़ा off लगा. I'm like कि there was just beats of the story didn't feel proper for me.
मतलब मुझे आई क्लियरली रिमेंबर दिस
Yeah.
जब वो पूरा सेटिंग अप द टेम्पल वाला सीन हो रहा था ना, so I was like bro this is something fishy. So I was thinking कि भाई कुछ तो होगा, ठीक है. एंड बट मैं ऐसे आराम से ऐसे बैठा हुआ हूँ, ये है वो है, ठीक है. एंड देन सडनली this Rishabh Shetty's character thinks of his mother, right? That she's sitting right beside him, and then he remembers that one line that she said कि कभी उन पे भरोसा मत करना जो कांतारा को दैव्य का मधुबन बोले, ठीक है.
nothing like that. He says कि जो निवासी हैं और someone who wants shelter उनको दे देना, पर who wants to control the मधुबन, ऐसा कुछ तो बोलते हैं.
हाँ, so that's what
उनको
she,
कभी भरोसा मत करना. That's what she says essentially.
I think वो ये कहती है कि जितने लोग भी कांतारा को दैव का मधुबन बोले,
Right.
उनका मोटिव ये है कि उनको दैव की शक्तियां चाहिए.
Correct, yeah.
उनको कांतारा से कोई प्यार नहीं है, ठीक है. तो दिस इज व्हाट आई मेड आउट ऑफ इट. एंड देन डूड दैट स्लो वॉक दैट ही हैज, जब लाइक उसमें हमें दिखाया है कि उसकी मदर उसका हाथ पकड़ के लेके जा रही है, बट देन पीछे से जब वो बोलते हैं कि अरे ये कहाँ बेरने कहाँ जा रहा है, तो ही इज जस्ट वॉकिंग लाइक दिस. एंड देन ही इज जस्ट थिंकिंग ऑफ ऑल द पीपल हु सेड दैव का मधुबन, एंड किन्होंने कितनों ने उसको धोखा दिया. So then firstly he thinks of the black magic tribe, right? Then he thinks of the Raja, and then he thinks of Gulshan Devaiya, and then he suddenly thinks of the princess. And तब उसकी आँख खुलती है कि oh shit, she was also the one, because she also said Devika Madhuban.
There's only one part where I kind of suspected maybe this girl is evil, but then I was like, no, they won't go down that route, I guess, right? Was they are like, you know, during the courtship part, where these two characters are like at Bandra or whatever that place is, the port.
Let's call it Bandargah.
Bandargah.
हाँ.
Bandargah is the port. I think that place is Bhangra. I think so.
Okay,
Yeah.
Bhangra में जो भी at the port place, they are भांगड़ा नहीं, भांगड़ा fish होती है वैसे तो.
Yeah, actually, I was like, where have I heard that? So,
Yeah.
anyway.
So when they are at that port city, and they are like about courtship and all, then there's a part where she like cuts his hair.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Bro,
And then-
that was the point where I was like, oh fuck, वो इसलिए कर रही थी.
Yeah,
Black magic, that was crazy. Dude.
But they cut her, and then she tells her mates to go away,
हाँ.
and because she wants to whatever get. You
Oh,
know,
yeah,
this thing.
yeah.
And then she says कि मुझे
मुझे
भी
कांतारा
देखना
ले
है,
चको,
मुझे
हाँ.
कांतारा ले चको. I'm like, oh, this is circumspect.
Yeah,
you know?
nice, yes,
But
I
then
get it,
I thought they wouldn't go down that route, but then
Wow,
they
Adi, you're so smart.
क्या है?
वाह आदि और सो स्मार्ट. पता है आपने एक बात नोटिस करी है, जो पिक्चरें अब्बास को पसंद आती है ना, वो पिक्चरों पे अब्बास का एपिसोड पे पूरा हाव भाव क्या कहते हैं डिमीनर, और वो वही अलग होता है. और जिन पिक्चरों पे अब्बास थोड़ा ऐसे होता है ना कि लाइक अब्बास हर तीसरी लाइन में एक जोक डालने की कोशिश करता है, वो इज लाइक कि पिक्चर तो गंदी थी, मैं एपिसोड में मतलब गंदी नहीं, ऐसे
मेरे को
मतलब
अच्छी लगी कांतारा चैप्टर 1. बट माय थिंग इज कि अगर आपको कोई चीज नहीं पसंद आई तो आप बुराई मत ही करो उसकी.
ये तो मैं इतना मारूंगा ना दोनों को, मैं बोल के थक गया ये चीजें. इफ यू डोंट लाइक समथिंग डोंट टॉक अबाउट इट.
If you don't like
Bro,
something, you're saying don't
I'm
say
at a-
bad things about it.
But I'm on a fucking podcast. I have to talk.
Yeah.
So I'm talking.
So yeah.
Yeah.
But then you are talking
But I'm
random
saying
jokes.
if I like a movie, obviously I have more to say about it because
Yeah.
there's more things I liked.
Oh really? If I don't like a movie, I have so much to say. Dude.
Example last episode.
Please watch.
But I wanted to address this. You can like a movie and still point out its criticisms, which
Of
is
course.
what it is with Kantara chapter 1.
Okay, fair. So you liked it actually. As a
I
whole.
liked it. I'm saying go watch it in a
Yeah,
theater.
you
It's a
did.
big
You did
screen
actually say
experience.
that.
Rishabh Shetty's performance is amazing.
Amazing,
CGI is
amazing.
fantastic.
Yeah, I agree.
And for most of the movie, 60 to 65% of the movie, I was hooked. Last 35 minutes, I totally lost interest, and I think मैं देखते देखते सोच रहा था यार उन्होंने एक गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स के सीजन्स की स्टोरी एक 3 घंटे की फिल्म में बताने की कोशिश की है, विच आई गेट. लाइक यूड रादर द बजट्स दैट ऋषभ हैड, he'd rather pool all of that in one 3-hour movie than make a 6-hour series or whatever,
yeah.
right? So I get that. but I don't know. I just feel the first movie was way more streamlined and more focused.
Oh bro, मेरा
than this
इसके लिए
one.
तो मेरा एकदम ही उल्टा
Yeah,
है.
हाँ.
I thought the second one was way streamlined than the
It's
first one.
grander, but does grander always mean better?
No, I'm not talking about
I don't know,
grander and
but
better.
this one was. I think
But
like it was
thi-
grander. It was more ambitious.
Yeah, and it was very
better,
like
much better.
way better paced than the first one.
In fact, it kept me
I disagree.
like the thing is
I
the
disagree.
first one. Like, dude, if you ask me specific scenes as to what happened, how it happened, I don't remember at all.
Bro,
but
पहली
this one I will remember
मैं आपको
because it
बताऊं
was
पहली मूवी जो थी ना वो इंटरवल के बाद भी स्टार्ट होती तो भी it would have made sense.
So about that, what you just said,
Yeah.
that's what I also felt while watching. This movie is bookmarked by great epic action sequences,
Sure.
which I can go back and watch on YouTube or whenever it comes on streaming. I'll watch those sequences. I'm very less inclined to watch the entire movie from start to finish one more time.
Bro, so
this.
again, it high chances की क्योंकि मुझे mythology में history में इन सब
that's
चीज़ों में
another
मुझे
thing, yeah.
बहुत interest है तो इसलिए मैं तो फर्स्ट सीन से हुक्ड था बिकॉज दिस इज राइट डाउन माई एली नो वेयर वी हैव सीन टू देव उनका हमने देख लिया कि इम्पैक्ट क्या होता है नाउ आई एम गेटिंग टू नो द स्टोरीज
Right.
सो मेरे लिए तो इट वाज right down my alley.
Yeah, that's there. I mean, if the subject matter speaks to you
Yeah.
personally, obviously you like it a lot more. Fine movie, but I wasn't blown away by it.
So we've talked a lot about Kantara. I think we've made our thoughts very clear कि हम where do we stand when it comes to the film, how we liked it, how we didn't, whatever. I just want to like I don't know, we've not spent that much time talking about Gulshan Devaiya and
I love Gulshan
Rukmani. But dude, Gulshan Devaiya was crazy. Crazy. Gulshan Devaiya, hats off. मतलब इतने ease के साथ उसने वो कैरेक्टर प्ले कर दिया
and he's dubbed his own voice in
Yeah.
Hindi.
Yeah.
And like I don't know, obviously I don't understand Kannada how punchy his dialogues will
Yeah.
be there. और उसने यार हिंदी में भी जो डिलीवरी करी है
मस्त
ना,
करे।
कमाल
It's really
कमाल
good.
हाँ, गरम पानी देगा गरम पानी
गरम
देगा।
भाई बहुत क्रेजी एंड उसी ब्रेथ में लाइक कुछ नहीं बस दादू को सुलाने भेज ओ क्रेजी डूड
great.
बहुत अच्छा लगा था मुझे वो तो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा था
Did you guys also notice that the battle sequences, especially the battle sequence where they are charging the fort, like breaking into the fort, again like LOTR type feels, right? A little
Yeah,
bit.
bro, I was
Sure.
reminded of LOTR. I
Yeah.
was reminded of Avengers Endgame at some points because of the scope and scale of it.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
again,
जब वो जैसे वो उसमें थॉर आता है इसमें ऋषभ भी तो आता है
yes.
Axe भी है।
ब्रो सच में ऐसा
No,
वो बिजली से आता है ये शैडोज से निकलता है
Ending when they're fighting in that massive ground reminded me a lot of the Portal scene where Thanos' army and Captain America's army are against each other, and then obviously everybody starts showing up.
Okay,
But yeah, like that one thing, one takeaway from this is like Rishabh Shetty can, if he can imagine scale, he can also pull it off.
Yeah, he can
Which is a
deliver.
very- which
he
is a
can
very
deliver,
positive
yeah.
thing.
He
can
Because a
deliver,
lot of
yeah.
people imagine scale, but they don't deliver.
True, actually, yeah.
Dude, I always think this, like it's a crazy feat when you are not behind the camera in front of it, but you're a director also, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's always impressive.
मैं-
Anytime someone knocks it out of the park, I'm always supremely impressed by anyone doing this.
Yeah.
Always. So,
But
yeah,
dude, like
I'm
you were
always
talking about
surprised.
this, so obviously, like you've talked at length about Kantara. But there's this because we also thought that we'll talk about the mythology part of it. Where are we as a Hindi film industry lacking in depicting what our roots are, if I may say that?
What is your what is your general perception of mythological films?
Man, general perception is that most of them won't be good. They're cash grabs. They're trying to appease a certain section of society who is very into very मानते हैं इन चीज़ों को. And most of these films I feel like are not good. Seldom do you find a good one. And if you find a good one that works, I think it works without being extra jingoistic or whatever. This
Sure.
one, which this one wasn't,
So
luckily.
the cash grab part of it,
Yeah.
I think that is something I think it's in the last 10-12 years that cash grab angle has come. So I was thinking about this, right? Again, I mentioned this in the Jammy episode also. The second highest grossing film of 1975 after Sholay was Jai Santoshima, right? Because again, people in our country, they go to, if a mythological film is playing in theaters, they go to pray. They are literally supplementing themselves to the screen if a god is on screen, right?
Okay. But are the deities in this movie that widely known that they have like a...
Bro, that's like I wanted to come to that.
We'll come to that. Let's talk about the general, the big ones when it comes to Hindi, whether it's the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, Jai Santoshima, Ma Durga, whatever. For me, mythological films make sense when they are made for children, okay? And if you ask my favorite mythological Hindi film, I would say Legend of Hanuman. Okay, जो अनुराग कश्यप ने बनाया, animated वाली.
आसमां को छू कर देखा.
Exactly. I think it is funny, it is reverential, at the same time it is very entertaining.
Bro, rewatchable.
Yeah.
Rewatchable.
So my only thing is, I am not a big fan of religious films, whatever religion, because I think then you're taking the burden of faith with you in the movie hall, right? अगर आप दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे देख रहे हो, उसमें राज ने कोई गलती करी, आप बोलोगे क्या चूते आदमी है, ये क्या हरकत कर दी. When you have literal gods on screen,
you can't say that.
You feel 10 times you were criticizing, like, how can I criticize God?
Bro, that's one of the reasons why we didn't do Adipurush ka episode when we were asked to do it.
Right.
Because you were like, we can't, like,
but
this is
everyone and their mother did it.
Yeah, and that is a testament to how bad Adipurush was. And people are like, we can't not say bad.
No, yeah, exactly.
That's how bad it is, right? So I was thinking about this. Another, like the few mythological films that did make a impact on me, I would say Tumbad is one. It has its roots in folklore.
Folklore, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good point.
Right?
I think...
Would you consider Oh My God, the first one, as a mythological film?
Not really.
Which is the other criticism I have of religious films. Especially in our country, there's very little scope for us to criticize religion. भले ही Oh My God में भी 90% फिल्म में आपने क्रिटिसाइज किया है गॉड को, लेकिन एंड में आपको वही दिखाना है कि नहीं, इवन द स्केप्टिकल पर्सन कम्स ऑन द साइड ऑफ गॉड. दीवार में भले आपने दिखा दिया कि गैंगस्टर नास्तिक है, सब कुछ है, आखिर में उसको बोलना है आज तक मैंने तुमसे कुछ नहीं मांगा लेकिन आज मांगता हूँ, राइट? So even the hardened atheist like Javed Akhtar knew that in his screenplay he has to write at the end that the person has to come on the side of religion rather than the side of God. So, which is why when I watch mythological films, I'm watching them as, and I don't mean to offend anyone, but as pure fantasy. How much are you able to affect me if I know nothing about the folklore or the mythology, right?
Yeah.
So
you're like a more objective view in a way.
Right.
Yeah,
What I prefer is when the text is alluding to mythology. जैसे राजनीति जो प्रकाश झा की फिल्म है, वो कहा जाता है कि एक तरह से महाभारत के बेस पे है. हम साथ हैं is actually
रामायण,
based on Ramayana, right? I prefer that you give me normal characters, normal stories, but if the root of them are inspired by mythology, I prefer that. But as someone who actually really likes mythology, what are some of your favorite, or what do you think about
sorry
mythology?
This something you said really made me think of something. Talking about what problems that maybe the Bollywood industry is going through, right? If you look at Stree followed a folklore. It is an actual folklore that exists. So, I'm finding the name of the folklore, but Naleba is the folklore. Okay, that's the ghost or whatever that exists, and they took it, that inspired the movie from that. The problem that our mythology is having is we are stuck with the big deities, the Shivs, the Vishnus, the Brahmajis, the Hanumans. These are deities which are already so much larger than life, like any deity would be, that there is no room to, like play around with a little bit, like some creative freedom, as you were, right? Because these deities are so big. If, like Kantara, like not many of us are aware of the deities, right? So you have a lot more. Now nobody's questioning how accurate his depiction is or not. It's just they are fascinated by how he's depicted it.
Right.
That's where we have to come to.
Bro, but so isi baat pe, like this was the eventual point that I wanted to come to. Does this also happen only because they are so convinced, they are so sure, they are so determined to tell this story. आप समझ रहे हो, मतलब they are
Is it keep doing it till you get it right? वो वाला
no I feel
No, they as in
like the filmmakers, the filmmakers
who are making these mythology.
who are making these mythology films. जैसे अब कांतारा है, ठीक है, ऋषभ शेट्टी ने क्या किया, ऋषभ शेट्टी ने जिस एरिया से वो आता है उस एरिया का, जैसे हमने पहले भी बात करी थी कि इंडिया इज सच अ डाइवर्स कंट्री और आप हर कुछ कदम पे जाओगे तो आपको सेम रिलीजन के अंदर आपको 10 अलग तरीके के रेंडिशंस और ये वो मिलेगा, राइट. मतलब आप इतना ही देख लो, नवरात्रि में हम लोग व्रत रखते हैं और बंगालीज अगर आप ईस्ट पे जाओ तो वो फुल नॉनवेज फिश एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट दे कंज्यूम. पूजा माँ दुर्गा की ही हो रही है या उनके किसी अवतार की ही हो रही है, बट इट्स द वे यू pray, it's the way the stories that have been told to you, it's the way that you follow, right? Anyway, so मैं अब जैसे माँ करके एक फिल्म आई थी अभी काजोल की, that followed a story of रक्त बीज, उसके ऊपर हमने बात भी करी थी, right? मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये हमने पहले बात करी हुई है कि dude, let the रामायण and महाभारत of the world be, right? Don't tell me कि कुंती के जो कुंती पुत्र थे ये था. इनफैक्ट तुम मेरे को अगर एक स्टोरी है, यक्ष की एक स्टोरी है जो जब महाभारत में पांडवों को वो एग्जाइल मिला हुआ था तो वो उनको बहुत प्यास लगी थी तो वो एक तालाब के पास जाते हैं और पानी पीने के लिए लगते हैं, तो एक एक करके एक इंसान जाता है एंड द गॉड बेसिक द यक्ष ही इमर्जेस फ्रॉम द I'm sorry मैं इतना वो कर रहा हूँ इसके अंदर the lake and then he says कि मेरे कुछ सवालों के जवाब दो तब तुम इसका पानी पी सकते हो, and they are like कि नहीं हम नहीं जवाब नहीं देंगे, and then they drink and then they die. All except Yudhishthir and then Yudhishthir has अब हर कहानी में अलग अलग नंबर है, 100 से ज़्यादा सवाल, 8 सवाल, इतने सवाल, etc etc. Now this in itself can be a film,
right? Yeah,
don't try to squeeze the entire Mahabharata in this. And same with Ramayana, right? There are so many instances that can be films in themselves. अब यही कांतारा में वो लोग जो सारा मैंने यहाँ एक्सप्लेन किया, इस एक्सप्लेनेशन को अगर वो सब उस फिल्म में डालने बैठते तो उस फिल्म का कचरा हो जाता.
Correct, yeah.
I think a film should be Snehal narrating about all these ratings.
I would like to start a podcast like this, but I actually pitched a lot of anyway.
Mythology podcast?
Mythology podcast, yes. And एक दो जगह, bro, we
Yeah,
okay.
I mean, yeah.
we did it and we almost got through also, but budgets and all of that. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Cool.
So anyway,
Yeah.
so I think the conviction, the not and the वो लालच नहीं है कैश ग्रैब का, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, क्योंकि उतना तुमने जिस कन्विक्शन से तुम वो कहानी सुनाना चाहते हो ना, आई थिंक वो बहुत मैटर करता है.
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है कि हम लोग जब यहाँ अब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल एक फिल्म आई है मिराई, वो शायद ज्यादा आप दोनों ने नहीं देखी ना मिराई.
I've been meaning to watch it.
हाँ, अभी रिलीज हुई थी, मैंने अभी देखी थी.
Pretty good.
Again, they've taken कुछ टेक्स्ट्स फ्रॉम माइथोलॉजी, उसके आसपास कुछ बिल्ड किया, श्री राम के ऊपर ही है.
Can I guess something? The stick
Yeah,
is also the bow in this also, like
bow
Kalki में जैसे था.
Yeah, right. ठीक है. Similarly with Kalki, the thing is कि take one thing, add your thing to it.
Man, Kalki though I really enjoyed, even more so than Kantara, I must say. I really enjoyed it. I've seen it like
Thank
twice.
God he said that. Now I will not get the most.
What, Kalki was awesome, dude.
Wait, the general perception is it?
हाँ, मतलब
Is it really?
I prefer, like I think Prabhas kind of let the film down.
Oh, dude. Yeah.
हाँ, वो यार अर्शद वारसी.
But I'm saying.
So I think the film was good for me because of Amitabh.
Yeah, for sure.
Happy
But
birthday,
I think like
Amitabh.
some.
Again, don't start that debate. You guys debated about for 2
That's
months.
true.
Oh bro, yeah,
Dude,
that's
no,
true.
no,
Oh
that's
fuck,
not-
bro, that was crazy.
Is Kantara a superhero movie?
But नहीं dude, I think मुझे ऐसा लगता है the reason why the films that we are trying to make in Hindi cinema जो थोड़ा relate करती है mythology से या जो inspired है mythology से, वो इसीलिए उतना अच्छा नहीं कर पा रही because I think the conviction, the urge to tell a story is missing.
No, I think the urge is there. Again, it's very easy for us to sit in a room and say all these things.
Why ऐसे तो everything
Man,
is very
when your
easy for us.
investors
Bhai,
and
bhai, we
producers,
have an urge
when
to
your
say these things.
investors and producers are putting hundreds of crores of rupees into your project, then any kind of experimentation looks risky.
That's true.
Bhai, you are right, but that's what I'm saying. When you add these factors, no, कि उसने इतना करोड़ डाल दिया, उसने ये कर दिया, उसने वो कर दिया, उसने ये कर दिया, then you never reach the point of where the first Kantara came from.
Right.
That's what I'm saying. The urge, the earnesty to tell that story, just the urge, just the, अगर if I may come to this word की, the चुल to tell that story कि मुझे ये कहानी सुनानी है, मुझे दुनिया तक ये कहानी पहुंचानी
मुझे
है.
नहीं तुझे लगता है कि राइटर्स के अंदर कुछ चुल नहीं है?
राइटर्स के अंदर आई एम श्योर है, बट मुझे लगता है कि उसके ऊपर जब फाइनेंसर्स के प्रेशर, उसके प्रेशर ये चल जाते हैं, तो वो अर्ज जो है वो बहुत बहुत पीछे चला जाता है.
So I think the best way, I think a lot of the problems is in these inflated budgets of films. Budgets of films in general should go down, and I think by virtue of that happening, a lot of things will become better.
We get into that same vicious cycle, right? For budgets to come down, you'll have to make films with newcomers. Who will go to watch newcomers?
No, that's true. But there are ways that even
If the
actors
upcoming
can do
Ramayana-
like a split from profit. There are ways to do that.
Sure. Yeah, but again, we are past that stage. I think.
हाँ, but who again ना, like it's just कि तुम करो, मैं क्यों करूँ, तुम कर लो, मैं क्यों करूँ, अरे तुम करो, मैं क्यों करूँ.
So see, I know
मैं तो
that
उतने charge भी नहीं कर रहा.
For instance, right? Isn't there like every couple of years, there'll be some story Akshay Kumar will come out with, okay, or something. Someone's PR will say this, okay, okay, for this movie, this actor cut his paycheck. For this movie, they almost took like no paycheck.
Yeah.
We need more of that happening, right? If actors can do that, of course, actors can't do that for every role, because to be able to do that for one film, they have to have 3 films that they fucking earned bombers from, So that's
I still feel when it comes to yes,
So
please.
I want to ask you this because I'm sure हम तीनों में से तूने सिर्फ देखी है वो film, the
कौन
Narasimha
सी?
animated film.
Oh bro.
Right? Now again,
Crazy.
all the things you said work for animation. The intention, the scope, the scale.
Yeah.
You can do that a lot more in that than in animation than in live action. Even Legend of Hanuman, the film I mentioned, was an animated
Animated film,
right?
yes.
So I think that is one. Again, one of the most popular films is the anime Ramayana film.
Oh bro, yes,
which is so
the
popular,
Japanese one, yes.
right? Netflix is doing a Mahabharata animation.
Yeah,
film.
I think अभी release हुआ ना
उसका
वो.
teaser release हुआ
teaser,
है.
हाँ.
The animation looks kind of okay, but
Yeah.
Gulzar is doing the narration.
Narration, yes.
These are small things, right? अब मैं Gulzar का fan हूँ. Maybe I'm not into mytho, I'll give it a shot. I mean,
Yeah,
let's see
for
what
sure.
has happened. But the actors taking a
But
big
dude,
cut
you've got to watch Mahavatar Narasimha.
But
Just
bro, that leads me to think that our animation industry is so rudimentary in a way. Like some of the best animating talent is in India, where we get used in abroad a lot, in foreign movies a lot. But in India, we are underutilized because animation or cartoon. बच्चों के लिए आ रहा है.
But please give the film a shot, huh?
For sure.
Mahavatar.
For sure. What I'm saying is that this is why I think if someone were to come about with forming, like this is a way to go to circumvent the star system in a way.
Yeah,
Animation,
I agree.
right? If an animation film can stand by itself and a production house comes about which is doing, say, only animation films, okay, and then they expand that into more animation films and then more like a joint universe of animation films, dude, the world can be your oyster. What a great way to circumvent, to get your budgets down and then to make the big bucks.
I'm saying again, use a star.
Yeah, to get that maybe that one star.
To do the voiceover,
Sure.
yeah, right? They'll probably charge less for voiceover, and then you maybe don't need an A-lister. Get a like who name someone who's like not an A-lister but famous enough.
KRK.
कोई और नाम आता है तेरे दिमाग में इसके अलावा? Whatever, let's say Sanjay Dutt. Not
Sanjay Dutt is not any. अच्छा चलो ठीक है. We will not get into the grades here.
रणवीर और रणवीर से तो कम ही है ना. संजय दत्त का संजय
तुम्हारे बॉस घर पे नहीं है दिवाली है ना, तो क्यों नहीं जा रहे? बॉस काम दे, तेरी बॉस की
अब्बास को इस पॉडकास्ट में हर 15 रोना चप्पल खानी है. So he's like, how can I?
So name someone else, bro. I couldn't think of it.
राजपाल यादव.
अरशद वारसी.
Okay, Arshad.
अदरक वारसी means.
Arshad वारसी ये करेगा तो चलेगा ही. Arshad वारसी is not any list for sure.
My point being that you can get a known actor to do the
Yeah.
voice, you will save budgets on that.
Sure. Yeah.
अभी
But,
ऋषभ शेट्टी की, by the way, I think the next film that Rishabh Shetty is doing is Jai Hanuman, which is from.
It's not chapter 2.
I think Jai Hanuman was announced like a year back at
He's
this
again
point.
directing, acting.
No. This is from the same universe as Hanuman.
The
Hanuman
superhero
movie.
film.
Yeah, the superhero
Yeah.
film. Again, that was a very interesting way. So, आपने क्या किया? आपने ये नहीं बताया कि वो इंसान ही हनुमान है, ठीक है?
Correct. वो powers ले लिया.
वो तुमने हनुमान जी की पावर्स को एज सुपर, तुमने लिटरली अरशद वारसी का ही डायलॉग है वहाँ लाइफ हो तो ऐसी में कि अबे सुपरमैन, स्पाइडरमैन, बैटमैन का बाप कौन? हनुमान. तो तुमने लिटरली हनुमान जी को एज अ सुपर हीरो दिखाया. उनका 1% पावर तुम्हारे अंदर आया तो तुम कितने बड़े वो बन गए, राइट? सो दिस इज ऑल्सो सच एन इंटरेस्टिंग टेक ऑन हाउ टू टेल अ माइथोलॉजी की माइथोलॉजी का टेल in a modern setting, right? That's also such an interesting way. I am very excited when it comes to the universe that this Hanuman film will lead to, right? Hanuman, the film will lead to, and the next part is Jai Hanuman. So I don't know कि इसमें तो it's not out and out mythology, right? Out and out Ramayana नहीं.
Yeah. That is another way to do this, yeah.
But again, I think these films like really interest me, and I have always been saying this, that I'm a huge fan of such storytelling, but just don't make it the way we've been.
My thing is also, again, because we revere these figures so much, there's very little scope to experiment with genres. Okay, like in Hollywood, they'll make an Exorcist, which is about a priest coming and exorcising a ghost out of a child. That film is as much about Christianity as it is about ghosts. But I can never imagine a mytho horror in India.
Tumbad in a way.
Tumbad, yeah, but because it's about a lesser deity or a lesser. But again, why not? Like you said, there are so many darker figures.
There are so many darker figures.
A suspense mythology film, a horror mythology film.
परी मैंने देखी नहीं. मैंने सोचा था परी मैं देख लूंगा, अब मैं बड़ा हो गया हूं, अब मेरे को हॉरर से डर नहीं लगेगा. 17वें मिनट में बंद कर दी थी मैंने वो पिक्चर की, नहीं हो पाएगी मुझसे ये.
But yeah, that's another way. Like you said, Ma is actually a horror film.
Ma,
but
yeah.
it's based around. So yeah, experimentations with genres might also be another thing.
Yeah, I think that's like it's way better than telling us, like showing us or making Mahabharat Ramayana every 3 years.
Yeah, can't wait for people in the comments to list 18 films and be like, साले तुमने ये तो देखी नहीं, इसमें ऐसा
यार देखने को हम लोग रेडी हैं. हम कब बोले कि भाई, मैं तो तभी, पता है, मैं कभी अपने को, पता है, अगर आप कभी नोटिस करो ना किसी पिक्चर के बारे में अपन बात करते हैं तो मैं उसको मूवी रिव्यू लिखता ही नहीं हूँ. मैं थॉट्स ऑन ये करके लिखता हूँ कि भाई अपन कौन है ना, अपन क्रिकेटर कह रहा था, क्रिटिक तो अपन है नहीं, ठीक है ना. हमने खुद कोई पिक्चर बनाई है जो हम यहाँ भाई ऑटो लेके आ जाते हैं, यहाँ पे बैठ के बोलने लग जाते हैं, ठीक है. सो आई एज लवर्स ऑफ वॉचिंग फिल्म्स, वी टॉक फिल्म्स, दैट्स इट. वी डोंट रिव्यू फिल्म्स, वी डोंट क्रिटिक फिल्म्स. हमने देखा एज पब्लिक. हमारे एक अमीर बंदा है हमारे पास, उसके पास माइक है, उसके घर आ जाते हैं एक हफ्ते का खाना खाने. तो बस वो माइक लेके आ जाते हैं बकबक करने. बट that's about it. That's about it. We just love talking about films. We just love watching films. We just love discussing films. और हमारे दोस्त हैं नहीं तो हम लोग आप लोग के साथ बात करेंगे.
We love watching films so much. We are giving away tickets for you to go and watch.
Yeah, correct.
If you become our members, press the membership button. Thank you.
Happy boy.
You were saying something.
No, I'm just saying, like, I would like to apologize that you said एक rich बंदा है हमारे बीच, and I assumed it was me. Sorry. It's not the case, guys. Not that much the case. But yeah.
ठीक है. Yeah.
It was a very
Let us.
fun discussion,
Yes.
for sure.
Yeah.
ये भी हमारे
Our thoughts on Kantara have been well put forward.
One last question. Do you think they should have been called Kantara 2?
No.
Really? I think it's a little confusing. Kantara chapter.
Bro,
Now there's Kantara
जिस
chapter.
देश में कोई मिल गया क्रिश और क्रिश 3 है, उस देश में, बिकॉज इट मेक सेंस. नो, एक्चुअली इट मेक सेंस. कांतारा तुमने हमें दिखा दिया स्टोरी क्या थी. नाउ यू टेल अस कि द ओरिजिन्स, ठीक है, एंड नाउ ओरिजिन तक का जब एंड हुआ है तो वहां पे कुआं है, राइट. एंड नाउ ही इज आस्किंग वो कुआं कब बंद हुआ, तो दैट विल बी चैप्टर 2. एंड देन इवेंचुअली जो हम पहले देख चुके हैं, दैट इज चैप्टर 3, जब कुआं बंद हो चुका है. सो it's the circle of life.
Chakravyuh.
It's the
By the way, I think all of us should pat ourselves on the back. We did an entire episode on mythology without once saying Brahmastra.
Agni Astra. Agni Astra.
7 crore. Thank you guys.
It's the budget in which we should make.
आप
mytho
फिर
films.
yes, yeah, exactly
7 crore is half the budget of the first Kantara. Yeah.
that. ईशा तुम मेरा बटन हो.
Light उस रोशनी का नाम है.
Oh yes, oh fuck हाँ, light उस रोशनी का नाम है.
Yes.
Dude, पता है ब्रह्मास्त्र could actually have been a very good attempt
yeah.
अगर ये लोग dialogues थोड़े से ईशा तुम मेरा बटन हो नहीं लिखते अगर ये लोग.
अगर शिवा वो 15 बार
हाँ.
15,000 बार नहीं बोलते.
शिवा
शिवा.
We are moaning a lot. We should stop.
क्या you are crazy picture.
Alright guys, that
Like,
brings us
imagine
to... Oh, yes,
bringing so sorry imagine bringing Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt first time after their marriage on screen and saying कि ईशा तुम मेरा बटन हो.
Yeah, like stop pressing my buttons.
Like, तुम मेरा बटन हो. अरे गधे. But चलो ठीक है. Dialogue writer we can speak अलग से. It's fine.
It's Hussain Dalal, bro.
Yeah.
He has a restaurant in Bandra, the ancient land of Bandra.
Ancient trade route.
अगर आप कार्टर रूट पे खड़े हो जाओ तो आपको वहां पे ऋषभ शेट्टी दिखता है. बंदरगाह पे इलायची बेचता हुआ.
Nice.
ऋषभ शेट्टी अगर आप ये देख रहे हो प्लीज हमारे पॉडकास्ट में
Bro,
Shahrukh Khan, if you're watching this.
okay. अच्छा fuck it, but anyway, dream guest on the podcast.
Bro, come on. Man.
Oh.
Jaya Bachchan.
Dream guest on the podcast, फटाफट.
Shahrukh, bro.
Shahrukh?
Without a doubt.
Dream guest on the podcast.
Anurag Kashyap.
Great. No, but great.
You know the other name
Excellent.
that came into my mind?
Abhinav Kashyap.
I'd love to talk to Javed Jaffrey, bro.
Bro,
Excellent.
यार नहीं,
Excellent.
ड्रीम्स वो होती हैं जो फुलफिल ना हो पाए. जैसे
भाई,
उसने
ऐसे मत बोल देना भाई.
जैसे उसने इज्जत से शाहरुख बोल दिया. सही बात. अनुराग कश्यप, जावेद जाफरी,
ये तो सब आने
ये
वाले
आ
हैं.
जाएंगे. ये आ जाएंगे. इनको हम बुला लेंगे.
Yeah.
पैर पकड़ लेंगे. स्कॉर्सेसी मत बोलना.
I would like
हाँ,
Kader
बोला,
Khan.
Hollywood, Hollywood,
Can we get Kader Khan here, guys?
उसके लिए थोड़ा प्लानचेट बोर्ड
Dreams वो होने चाहिए तो सच ना हो पाए.
अरे मुझे क्यों बुला लिए? That's my
Amrish
Kader
Puri.
Khan.
That's Amrish Puri.
But that was my Kader Khan.
Oh, that was a Kader Khan?
Yeah.
You do a good
Right.
Amrish Puri, bro.
अरे बेटा. This was combination of both.
हाँ.
Yours?
यार I think it would be Salman.
Let's stop lying. All three of our dream guests actually is Janhvi Kapoor, guys, and we can't wait to have her on the podcast.
Guys,
Sorry, who did you say?
I quit on that episode.
मेरे को पता था. मैं was like, मैं ये बोल रहा था कि guys can we please switch off the camera before अंतरिक्ष says something.
Guys, done.
Like I'd like to have all the three Khans on the pod, bro.
हमें
Bro,
replace कर
you're talking as if nobody else. This is our unique thoughts. किसी और को तो चाहिए नहीं भाई तीनों खान.
Like they'll replace all three of us.
Yeah, dude.
Bro,
Can you imagine a podcast? Don't give them that idea, man. Don't put it out of the world.
भाई सोचो
I'm
ना,
sure it's
bro,
coming.
सोचो ना, शाहरुख, सलमान, आमिर ऐसे बैठ के बात कर रहे हैं
Thanks.
about
I'm Shahrukh. I like this.
भाई
About what?
बस बात कर रहे हैं फिल्मों के बारे
तेरे
में.
को सलमान बोल दिया भाई. कैसा लग रहा तेरे को?
on that note,
क्या हिरन दे रहा है?
Thanks, guys.
सलमान बोला उसको.
If you ever wondered how this ended up here, bullshit podcast.
Snail's informed today. Snail's informed today.
bullshit podcast.
Nice.
Okay, guys, I think we should wrap up. That was our episode on Kantara. Please tell us your thoughts about the film in the comments. Before we wrap up, let's play.
Holy.
Oh yes! Do me a favor. Let's play Janani ka clip from Kantara.
Janani, who also watched Kantara,
Yes.
thanks to us, if we say so ourselves. Let's hear what she has to say about the film.
Hi, I watched Kantara: The Legend Chapter 1 yesterday. Amazing movie. It's visually very appealing. बहुत ही अच्छे से उन्होंने जो 4th century का दिखाया है part, it's visually very well shot and displayed. All of them acted amazingly, especially Rishabh Shetty. गुलशन दवैया का मुझे और थोड़ा सा स्क्रीन टाइम मिलता तो बेटर रहता. आई थिंक आई नीडेड मोर ऑफ हिम, बट उतना मुझे दिखा नहीं, एंड आई नीडेड मोर ऑफ अ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन हिम एंड द मेन कैरेक्टर हु इज ऋषभ. तो वो मुझे बस एक चीज खटकी. और एक चीज है कि बिकॉज मैंने ये मूवी कन्नड़ा में देखा एंड आई एम नॉट अ कन्नड़ा स्पीकिंग पर्सन, तो मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा बहुत जल्दी जाना था सब कुछ, तो मुझे थोड़ा सा टाइम लग रहा था कैसे करने का. बट इट्स एन अमेजिंग. प्लीज अगर आप लोग कर सकते हो तो आप लोग देखो. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये मूवी देख के. थैंक यू.
So that was Janani's review of Kantara. Thank you so much for sending us that review. जिनको भी आज tickets मिले हैं, जो winners हैं, आप भी हमको reviews भेजिए please.
I completely agree with Janani. Whatever Janani said, everything was spot on. In fact, Janani.
आपको पता है जननी ने पहले मना कर दिया था कि अरे मैं नहीं भेज रही, ठीक है तुम लोग ऐसा लूजर्स, ठीक है. देन आफ्टर लाइक फिर मैंने बोला ठीक है मत भेजो, क्या कर सकता हूँ मैं, कितना ही फोर्स करूँ. देन आफ्टर ब्रो, देन आफ्टर अ व्हाइल शी जस्ट सेंट मी अ वीडियो, शी लाइक यार you guys are doing something for the first time, I want to be supportive of it, I want to be a part of it. So like I don't want कि भाई तुम लोग ने सबको प्रॉमिस किया है और फिर एंड में बैच वीडियो नहीं बज रहा,
like everything else that you have promised.
हाँ भाई लोग लाइव चैट में लिख रहे हैं अबे तुम तो लाइव प्लान कर रहे थे सितंबर एंड में. होगा यार, दिवाली के बाद करेंगे, सबको अपनी दिवाली मना ले, फिर उसके बाद ईद ही मनाएंगे सलमान भाई.
इतना बुरा लगेगा ना कोई टिकट लेने के बाद फक ऑफ बोल दे, फक ऑफ. टिकट मिल गई, फक ऑफ.
नहीं यार, अच्छे लोग हैं यार, अच्छे लोग.
तो वही जननी, वेरी नाइस, वेरी स्वीट, 100%. योर रिव्यू वाज बेटर देन आवर्स इवन.
So anything you guys want to plug before we wrap up?
Please watch That Film Game Show, Spender Bender. We are doing next week, coming week, I'm doing a live That Film Game Show with Gursimran Khamba and mostly Sahil. Second guest is still not confirmed, but mostly Sahil.
Okay.
And we are coming out with an episode of Spender Bender with Khamba and Abish, and we're recording an episode of Spender Bender upcoming with
खंबा.
No,
बस बल्क डेट्स ले लिखा तूने.
with the Khan Masti guys.
खंबा को हायर कर लिया हमने.
with the Khan Masti guys, Jose, Cyril and
wow dude, मुझे लगा खंबा अब आपका
book my show पे. Yes.
बेस्ट ही हो गया.
But यार he came on one podcast, asked him on another. I was like ठीक है. But
Snehil, anything you want to plug?
यार I have been trying to get in touch with a lot of people and मैं उनके साथ थोड़ा फ्रीलांस कर रहा हूँ. मैंने अभी रिसेंटली पिंक विला के साथ एक वीडियो किया है. शादी.com के फाउंडर CEO अनुपम मित्तल के साथ. इट्स I will put the link in the description. Yeah, if you go on YouTube.
देखो गाइस, जब टिंडर ना चले, हिंज ना चले तो
सीधा शादी.com bro. तो it's a house store, sorry house नहीं, office store of sorts.
Anything interesting is there?
Yeah bro, he said a very funny thing about me, मतलब off camera. तो so normally अनुपम मित्तल के जितने भी इंटरव्यूज वगैरह होते हैं, they are very serious about investments and all that, ठीक है. So भाई me being me, मैं तो like my opening line was कि मैं देखो भी घर से आया हूँ, घर वाले शादी पे प्रेशर डाल रहे थे, तो मैंने सोचा आप ही से मिल लूँ आके कि शादी आप ही तो शादी. See the way you loud like बहुत बढ़िया ऐसे. तो ऐसे this is how we started the episode. तो वो टोन पूरा फन ही था पूरे एपिसोड में. तो वी टुक लाइक द फर्स्ट कट एंड देन अनुपम की टीम सेज कि अनुपम आस्क्स द टीम लाइक कैसा जा रहा है पॉडकास्ट. द एंटायर वीडियो सर बहुत फन जा रहा है, आपने तो कभी ऐसे फन वो वीडियोस दिए ही नहीं है, आप तो सीरियस इन्वेस्टमेंट की बातों करते रहते हो वगैरह, तो बहुत फन जा रहा है. एंड देन ही सेज लाइक यार वो होस्ट पे भी तो डिपेंड करता है ना, ये देख कहाँ से जोकर पकड़ के ले आए तो फनी तो होगा. मैंने कहा ब्रो, मैं भी लाइक भाई अब मैं इस बात मेरे को खुश हो बुला रहा है. but bro he's very he was very fun actually.
Very cool, man. Actually I think he's the smartest shark.
Yeah, I agree. एक ही के साथ तो किया है मैंने वीडियो, ठीक है. And then
if others disagree, do a podcast with Snehil and prove him wrong.
Exactly, prove me wrong. उन्होंने ना अनुपम मित्तल ने गोल्ड का ऐसा लायन का पूरा चेहरा बना के पूरा नेक वो पहना हुआ है, ठीक है, नेक पीस ऑफ सॉर्ट्स, पेंडेंट व्हाटएवर. तो कट हुआ, बात कर रहे थे लाइक ब्रो लाइक अनुपम दैट्स टू कूल यार लाइक. एंड देन उसका टीम कहता है ये यहाँ पे ये ट्राई मत कर, अच्छा लगा तो तेरे को उतार के दे देंगे, नहीं मिलेगा कुछ यहाँ पे.
His team said that?
Yeah, his team said that.
मजाक में.
हाँ, I'm sure. But anyway, it was a very.
So this was out online?
This is out online. It's on YouTube. Please do check it out. And उनके comments में लिख दो कि यार ये host कितना बढ़िया है, इसके साथ आपको तो बहुत
जोकर नहीं है.
इसके साथ आपको और वीडियोस करनी चाहिए. So yeah, do check that out.
The link will be that in the description. And I don't have anything to plug. Just follow me on social media.
अबे वो comment
section YouTube के चैनल पे आप जा सकते हो. उस पर अभी कोई नया वीडियो नहीं आया है, लेकिन आप पुराने वाले देख सकते हो.
अरे आपके वो अपने पर्सनल पॉडकास्ट का क्या हुआ?
करूंगा यार, टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है. According to Abbas, will be back.
Don't ask embarrassing questions.
Abbas Momin YouTube channel. Go subscribe and follow me on social media at Abbas Momin88 on Instagram and Abbas Momin
yo happy boy
X. That was our episode. Please come back next week. Subscribe to the channel. Become a member now that you're getting perks
and extra episodes. By the way,
episodes will also be out
next week से out होंगे.
जी. तो see you all next week. Till then, wow.
And let us know what you thought of Kantara. All right.